Ginawa ni Slick, sabi niya, ganito na lang, no? Bukas, balik tayo dito, sapakan kayo na maayos, boxing gloves dun sa office.
Parang very, gentleman.
Para
sa
maka-
way of-
Oo, so nagdala ako ng gloves.
Dito, ang galing kasi nagbenta siya sa Ticketnet. Di
Paper
ba?
ticket,
Pagkakitaan natin to!
Right-minded. Tapos may pay-per-view sa
Oo.
Facebook. Yan.
Ang title ba niya Sam YG versus Special Child?
The Pod Network Entertainment.
Yan!
Yan na.
Ispakol!
Ba't naman yung agad?
Ah,
Ba't naman yung agad?
beer house.
Oy!
Nasa balita yung tanga.
Huwag naman.
Gano'n na pinakamalaki na ubos mo sa Spakol?
Hanggang. Intro pa lang no? Oo, madami magko-comment dito. Oo, masikip kami tingnan ngayon. Tangina ninyo. Grabe, ang daming tao ngayon.
Pinatukan ng pader eh.
Siksik
Ito,
talaga
ano naman,
stage
listeners?
natin dahil kasama natin ang...
Welcome to the Cool Buzz!
Episode 982.
Exclusive.
On Spotify and YouTube.
Magsasalita. Pem. 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 Pem.
Bakit naman boys to men ang kinanta mo, no?
Kasi kasama natin yung boys night out.
Yan!
At wala na siyang ibang ilam.
Tapos, nag-end of the road na rin yung
Hindi naman end of the road.
Hindi naman. Hindi.
Natapos yung karir
Tapos mo agad eh.
Hindi. Wala na sila dun eh.
Sabi ni Sam kanina, sensitive topic daw
Hindi,
yun.
gago kayo sabi ni Tones, I wanna do this till the day I die. Tapos the next day, tinanggal siya. Puta, paano na?
Tapos buhay pa siya.
Wala na.
Sino mag-adjust?
Friday yon. Sige, Saturday, pahinga. Sunday, pahinga. Monday, dalawa na natira. Si Tin tsaka si Slick. Si Tin, nagmura. Sabi niya, ang puta. Di tinanggal din sila. Tuesday, wala na natirang show. Ang
Wala na
ganda.
natira.
For
Sabi
the
kanina,
record, nag-resign kami ni Slick.
Okay.
Si Tony ang finire.
tama.
Ha?
Explain mo.
Bakit ka pinato ni?
Para matapos na tong chismis na to.
Wait lang. Tissue.
Tissue.
Sensitive topic.
Tissue
sabi
na
ko sa'yo eh.
Roger!
Ito, gamit na yung tissue ito. Medyo gamit
May
na.
kapapatugtugan ka ng masusunod.
Hinihintay ni Tin to. Hinihintay ni Tin.
Inintay ni Tin na magnomo
Bigyan mo,
sa
bigyan mo na isa.
Starstruck. Hello po.
I think there's several reasons naman eh. There's so many reasons why the show ended. But I think first and foremost, I think the most critical point was the new guy in charge was basically trying to clean house. Kasi I wasn't the first one to get fired.
So
a lot
was
of
it
people.
a dirty house?
Ako
That's why
nauna.
they
It's a
cleaned it?
dirty
Well,
house.
I think at first they got rid of our production. They got rid of our programming.
Our boss.
Andito yung boss nyo.
Oo, nandiyon na nagtago.
Surprise guest! Mga nababasag.
And then they got rid of our station manager of 30 years. So when you clean house, alam mo na what the new guy is trying to do. And it took me a while to actually figure it out because actually he was the one who hired me 27 years ago. So
Full circle moment.
yeah.
Diba? Ang ganda.
Yeah.
Pinasok ka niya. Sinipa ka rin niya.
The irony.
So the guy who hired me was fired within the year that I was hired. So him coming back and me vouching for him was like maybe because we didn't follow his mission.
Baduy
or
kasi.
Yung vision
Super.
niya.
Baduy. Oo, baduy.
When he sat down with us for the first time to introduce, because hindi kilala ni Gino and Tin eh. So when he came into the office, I organized the dinner. And then...
Nanilibre niya kami, by the way. Kasi walang
Nice,
budget
nice.
yung Magic pang dinner.
Wala talaga.
Company dinner, wala.
But apparently
mga-
that actually restaurant closed down just a few months ago. We sat down with the team and ang sabi niya, the first thing we said, wag daw kami mag-focus sa online. Mag-focus kami sa on-air kasi walang pera sa digital.
Ano sabi niya, walang pera sa
And then
digital.
Gino got up.
Hindi ba niya alam digital na yung mga bangko ngayon?
Nandun ang pera.
Gago, pati nga 5-6 ngayon, digital na.
And-
Parang yung digital bank mo, Sam.
Ay, oo.
May billboard ka.
Plug mo na.
Pare, money laundering ko yun. Eh, mamaya.
Sika ulo ka.
So basically,
Baka maamlak. Si Zaldi ko ha, nakawala na.
Uy, nakawala si
Oo,
Sir!
wala naman.
Alam nyo na, back you money. O go.
so Gino got up and went to the banyo, and I was like, oh, alam ko na to. He's gonna leave. And then basically we didn't follow his
Kiss ka ba
style.
yan?
And which when you don't follow the new guy, they're gonna
That
do.
just
He's
so
gonna
happens
do
to be your boss.
everything to try and get you out. And I
Ano
think
ba yung
we.
gusto niyang i-follow ninyo? Sabi kasi ni Tin
Kabado
kanina,
yan.
baduy.
Super.
So, kailangan niyo na sabihin yung energy.
Gago ka!
Uy, gago ka, sinasabi pa yun ngayon.
Pwede ba ma-sample yung slick yung maganda.
And
No, pero in that same meeting, what he was saying is that, oh, I want to bring back the old boys' night out. He's like, oh, be misogynist, treat...
Be bastos.
Oh, be bastos. Tapos kami, it's like, you know what, that's a great idea.
para mawalan tayo ng
like
career.
20 years ago, tapos he goes, tapos I think Tony was on, we're gonna get canceled. Tapos right then and there, he said, you know what, this cancel culture, it's not real.
Yeah.
Tapos we all looked at each other, oh my God.
Yeah.
Patay.
Sabi niya, hindi totoo yung cancel culture. And then, from then on, we were like, this guy is not gonna be inclusive with boys night. He's not part of what we want to do.
So, parang boomer mentality yung meron
Super.
siya. Anong
Sofer.
tingin niya sa mga transgender?
Ganda yan.
Tanong natin siya.
We didn't ask.
Yeah.
We never asked.
Yeah. And a lot of people will say that it was the ownership, and I don't think it was the ownership. I really think it was him because we've been there for so long.
Tsaka feeling ko naman yung mga owners, wala naman pakialam
Yeah.
sa nangyayari
Wala
dun
silang
eh.
pakialam.
Mayaman na sila.
Wala nilang pera.
Walang pake. So, there's someone that has to be the fire starter who's in charge, right? Kung hindi ka type ng isang empleyado o boss, tanggalin mo na yan.
Pag-iinitan
Tapos
ka.
parang nagkaroon
Tanggalin
ng
mo na
dalawang
yan.
factions eh. Team of new boss and team of old boss. So na-classify kami as team old boss. So yung mga team new boss, lahat sila andun pa.
Yeah. And it took me a while to really figure out, and this is not to bash him because I really called.
No, let's bash him.
No, because
Let's bash him. Hindi naman yung mga brand manager, they agree.
Alam mo,
Mga
kaya ka
cocky boys,
napapire.
cocky boys.
Malalibel na naman kayo niyan.
and so I did my homework, and I was really just shocked because this is a guy that hired me 26, 7
Mentor
years
ni
ago.
Tony.
Hindi, tsaka, I
So-
remember when he came in, si Tony pa was really like, no, okay to. Like,
Yeah.
solid guy. You know, he's very anal about certain things,
And
which
I-
we want.
Ayun na nga.
Hindi, anal. Like, as in, may OCD, medyo maayos.
And I thought that open siya sa the new age of technology, hybriding digital with on the old school medium of radio, kasi that's where it's going. And then he said yes. Yung pala, bumaliktad. And then
No pala.
I had to call former employees of mine that were not talking to me for 20 years, and I heard the same thing. What happened to them happened to us. But they were so scared to tell me because I looked up to this guy. So I was like, okay, we're not the problem. Siya talaga yung vicious cycle of using people, manipulating people, and they really were like also cornerstones of, they were also from, and
Sabihin yun.
Teta
nasabi
News,
na rin
King
natin.
DJ Logan. I talked to them personally, and because this is what we do we love this medium, right? We never thought we were gonna leave, so I was trying to find a way. How can we work hand in hand? But no, this guy had something else. He doesn't like something that's successful, something great. He always wants to break it down, and hence why if you look at his track record, it's really not great. But it's sad because this is someone that hired me to do what I love, and so we're now like
Jobless.
Jobless,
Di
unemployed.
ba si Alvin Aragon yung tinutukoy nila?
Alin?
Si Alvin Aragon.
Boss nyo daw ba si Alvin Aragon? Pero
DDS ba si Alvin Aragon? Kasi DDS to eh.
DDS din. Ay, hindi ko alam. Oo nga, di ba? Parang dinids,
Oo, sinensor niya
in-out niyo as
kami.
DDS siya sa
Ako.
Friends.
Burat na burat ako sa kanya eh. Hanggang ngayon, burat na burat pa rin ako sa kanya. Alam mo ba, ano na niya ako, yung kababae mong tao. Ginanon niya ako.
Ano?
Kasi, bargas ako eh. Diba?
So kung alam nila ng tunay, alam naman nilang lahat na ako yung mas babae sa'yo eh.
Totoo yun. Totoo yun.
Mas chicks ka, mas chicks.
Ako yung mas kababaeng tao
So,
dito.
sinabi ko on
Kalalaki
air
tao,
yung
mas babae.
Hindi, totoo.
Mismo!
Sinabi ko yung word na tae on air. Tapos sinabi niya sa akin, parang, it's not fitting coming from a girl.
Dapat daw jebbers.
To say,
Jebs.
poop. Alam mo yun?
Jebracles.
So sabi ko, okay, galit sa akin talaga to.
Ngayon,
He hated me.
sabihin mo ng buong puso ang tae dito. Pwede dito.
Sasabayan niyo ba ako?
Yes.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Tae! Sarap. Ang sarap. Salamat.
Sarap
James.
talagang tae.
Nakabuka ba yung bibig eh?
Basically,
Isasara po.
I mean, 20 years ago, the reason why Boys Night Out became so popular is we had no filters.
Yes, oo.
Didn't follow
We had no
ano.
filters, and after the suspension of 3 months in 2009, we actually were filtered. We actually digressed. We really filtered down a lot of the words that we used kasi we were talagang maniac on air. Eh. I mean, the stories that we read. So 2009 onwards, we really filtered down. And this guy wanted to filter us even more and control the narrative of being inclusive. He didn't like it. He didn't like what we were doing. So I think for him, it was the best way was take out Tony, and then
The head of the snake.
Ano
Ano
honestly yung masama doon? Si Tony yung as in siya yung tipong taong si Sam pag December 3 times lang papasok.
Uy, gago ah.
Magsisend twice lang daw. Anong 3 times twice lang daw?
Papasok ako, ah. Legit yan. Ganun din ako.
Mahabol ako,
Ganon
30 minutes left in the show.
Si Tony will always be there. No matter, like kasi nasa Canada siya ng 1 year and a half. Alas 3 ng umaga, nagpo-broadcast yan galing sa basement ng bahay nila. Because he's that dedicated.
There are times na mag-guess kami, si Tony lang yung on board.
Exactly. Di ba? Kaya ang weird na parang...
Siya yung pinakamalaking sweldo. So,
medyo
Kaya-
nga naman.
Kailangan-
It is what it is.
Kaya justified yung 3 times a month mo.
Yung one day
diba,
ni Tone.
magkano lang kinikita ng bank manager, di ba?
Minsan sa hotel, parang nagsasabi si Tony, wala nag-asawa na isa. Tapos, mas gusto niya kasama yung pamilya niya, kaya ako na lang nandito.
Ganun tono ganun tono.
Ganun.
Para malungkot.
Sabi niya,
So, feeling ko
okay lang ba,
si
GB?
Slick yung pinaparinggan.
Oo, sasabihin niya, okay lang ba, GB? Straight Tagalog ko lang sasabihin itong nakakantuman ko.
Ayan.
Sabi ko, oo naman.
Ganun na ganun.
Napakatalughati. Ganun.
Sabi niya, wala malayo.
I think with all of us, we all love what we do. I think with me, it's just I found my fulfillment in radio.
Masaya ka dun sa booth.
I mean,
Kita naman.
obviously we want to get paid the right amount, but I can miss like gigs, I can miss my family, but something about being on air is my fulfillment factor. I don't know what it is. It's just, especially when I'm with these guys, it's not the work.
Paano yun nangyari, Tony, yung kinausap ka na sinisante ka? Paano nangyari? Alam mo na ba na pag pinatawag ka sa opisina?
That was actually weird is because we finished the show. Tapos,
First time
At
ever.
midnight, ha?
So-
Midnight.
Bumasag lang, oy guys!
midnight. And usually his room is off na.
There's no one in the office.
There's no one in the office na. So, okay. Tapos it was weird na, there's a light in his room. Tapos yung guard says, sir, station manager wants to talk to you. Tapos kami, me and Tin are like, huh? Okay.
Baka may
Tapos,
racket.
Do we wait
Baka
for
may-
him?
we were like, do we wait for him? Tapos me and Tin, siguro we stayed for mga 15 minutes. Tapos we were like, let's go home. They're probably talking about direction. Tapos when we on the way home, siguro after 10 minutes.
Paglabas natin ng party.
Mga 10 minutes after, si Tone goes, he texts us like, he just fired me.
Kala namin joke.
We thought, joke. No, it's true. I was like, holy fuck. So, well, I don't know how the conversation went, pero we were watching outside. Parang like, si Tone's just like that. So we just left. Tapos when he texts us, like, then it became real.
No. Kasi isipin mo yan yung mahal mong gawin. you're already doing what you love. Ito na, yung bahay mo na yan eh. When we go to Boys Night Out, it's like going to your house. When welcome mo kami, ganyan, and then all of a sudden, paano yun? Like, tuloy Tony! Drinks?
Yeah.
Saka di ba imagine mo, si Tony has been doing this since the 70s.
Gago.
Bata pa lang kami, Tony.
Wala pang pinapanganak dito.
Wala pang
DJ
internet
na si
nun.
Tones.
Ang listener pa rin sila, Nida Blanca.
Oo. Dalawang channel pala sa TV nun.
Pare, yung transmitter, kinakalawang-kalawang mo.
Yung radyo ginaganon pa.
Piso pa lang ang jeep nun eh.
Di ba, hanap mo yung tuner, sumobra ba konti mga.
Hindi, pero how did it go like? Alam mo na,
We kind
pagpasok.
of knew it was happening, but I always told Sam, because he's always wanted to jump ship and go online, because it wasn't feasible for him anymore, or for a lot of us, because they have families.
Schedule,
na eh.
yeah,
So they want to take gigs. Di ba? Radio does not pay.
Pero mahirap yung everyday papasok, tapos 40,000 a month. So medyo...
$4,000.
Gago, medyo kulang. Siyempre, may gusto ako mga si Slick, naka-Yeezys pa nun. So sabi ko, puta, gusto ko na naka-Yeezy ako. Eh, wala pang Bombay na naka-Yeezy nun. Sabi ko, gusto ko yung unang Bombay na naka-Yeezy.
Sana umutang ka sa tropa pa.
Mataas yung interest eh.
No, but it's a fact. I think if you have any friends in the broadcasting industry, AM, FM, wala talaga pera. You have to have like prime time show, like you have to be in the morning or late eve drive time. That way you're making more money. Or if you're like,
Or rich kid ka lang talaga, wala kang magawa.
and it's sad because it's like we present ourselves na ganito ang lifestyle namin on air, but in reality, our bank accounts. But we've been so blessed with the brand Boys Night Out. We have gigs, and so kumikita kami sa gigs. So you can understand if as you get older, you have more responsibilities. Pag bata pa, 20s, wala kang pake sa bank account mo eh. But as you get older, you'll have a girlfriend, you have a boyfriend, you have a fiance, you have a husband, a wife.
I don't have a
kids.
husband. Just to be clear.
You have 3 kids, you have 1 kid, and you have a dog, right?
2 dogs.
Two dogs.
Two dogs.
And not just any dogs.
Yeah.
Crazy Baba.
Breeding yan.
So it starts to take effect na yun how you gonna live. Like you guys.
It's really the wife Pag-isipin mo.
Brave brother.
Pag-delete na lang nun. As you were saying.
And I think it's the same with stand-up comedians.
Oh.
Right? You have to build it.
Dito sa Cool Pals, ang kita sa gigs. More than...
Akala kasi nung mga tao, porket kunyari may maraming views sa Spotify,
Maraming pera.
walang
Monetary
equivalent.
Walang monetary equivalent.
Oo, walang monetization sa Spotify. Pero we love Spotify.
Naman.
Hindi nga.
Nasa puso natin
Really?
Nasa puso namin kaya kahit walang monetization, okay lang yan. Kaya nga kami may Patreon, putang ina niyo. Kung sabihin niyo, ayun yung mga Patreon, tangina nyo.
Yung video version mo nito sa
Namura, eh, no?
Patreon lang. Ito, yung video nito, Patreon.
Ay, di, meron din.
meron.
I-release din to sa pero no filter pag sa Patreon.
But what I can say is, like I mentioned, there's walang pera talaga sa radyo. It's
And
really
then,
tough.
Tones, nung pandemic, hati sweldo natin in half.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah.
And it took years.
Imagine mo, mababa na yung sweldo, hinati pa.
Tapos kailangan pumasok kahit may COVID. Nagka-COVID kami lahat sabay-sabay.
Kwento mo.
Gago
Wala siya
si-
dito. Hindi
Paano?
Paano?
Gago si Jojo.
Jojo!
Hindi kasi pare, si Jojo, pumasok. Tapos diba, kasagsagan ng pandemic, ang dami nagpapadala ng food. Dalgona, coffee, diba, sushi bake. Tikman mo yung
Ube
mango.
pandesal.
Ube pandesal, ube cheese, pitong mango, whatever.
But you can give context. Kasi Jojo was borrowing a vehicle. So we get to test drive, di ba? The media gets
Media
to,
launch,
we get to
blend
test
out.
drive vehicles, different cars. Tamang-tama, naghiram siya ng kotse, March. Di ba nag-shut down tayo March 16? Nasa kanya pa yung kotse, nag-shut down yung plant. So itong gago, si Jojo, he's picking up random girls.
Nanchichicks.
Di ba walang sasakyan, walang bus, walang tricycle, everything shut
Literal
down.
nakikita niya lang si
Frontliners.
EDSA,
He
sinusundo
would
niya.
pick up random people and then go to the station without telling us. And then that was the time.
Ang weird
diba?
kasi pag kilala mo yung prostitute eh.
Ano feeling?
Dapat random talaga.
Hindi, prostitutes was during the day.
As in
he's picking up-
frontliners to.
Yeah, he's picking up people, and then hatid ko kayo. And now we're like, what the hell? We didn't know.
Tsaka, di ba, nakipag-momol siya sa simbahan?
Oh, sa likod ng
Sa likod.
simbahan.
Sa likod.
Seryoso
Hindi
yan,
naman-
kwento niya yan.
Sa
noon eh.
frontliner din?
Around home.
In Batangas. Batangas, nagano siya.
After ng mass.
Yeah.
Ano na yun, mga
Wala nga ma.
Walang mass.
Modified ECQ na yun. Hindi na yun ECQ.
Sa
like,
simbahan
But
sila
anyways,
pag-momol.
Anyway,
sa
pumasok.
likod na
He
simbahan.
went to the he went to the
Hindi
station.
namin-
Pero
diba?
may deal kayo lahat, di ba? Napapasok lang kapag nakapagpa-test na.
Oh,
Tapos
tsaka-
lahat kayo, sabi niyo, okay, negative.
Tsaka huwag ka na gumimi kasi lockdown nga eh, di ba? Naintindihan naman natin. So, pumasok si Jojo.
We asked each other, magpa
Swab tayo.
na mahal 7K.
Kasi hindi mahal 12 pa nun.
13, 12 pa yun.
Ah,
Oo.
okay,
Original
First-
PCR.
Okay.
Swab.
Sa UP. So nagpunta siya sa UP,
Sabi niya.
pumila siya.
Sabi niya.
Sabi niya.
Yung
Sabi
pala, nalaman niya yung presyo,
Bumakot si Gago.
but he didn't tell us.
Nagpa-rabies shot na lang.
He didn't
Pwede na to.
Pwede na. Picture siya, like, oh, I'm here. Chuk! Tapos he sent it to the group. Na, okay.
So ako,
Sabi niya,
Okay, we're
8,000, magka-COVID na lang ako.
para sulit.
Para sulit.
Ako na si Jojo, the COVID survivor.
Tapos, inihingi ko na yung result. Sabi ko, Paps, bago ka pumasok, padala mo yung result sa group. Tayo lang naman para magkakitaan, di ba? Pare, 5 days na, wala pa rin result. 7 days, wala pa rin result. Pero pumasok siya. Sabi niya, nakalimutan ko lang sa bahay yung result, pero negative tayo.
And our station manager was asking, i-email mo na lang. Kasi ini-email yan eh.
Oo,
Di ba? Yung
Oo,
results mo
oo.
na positive,
May
negative.
soft copy.
Oo eh. Walang email.
Sabi niya, sira yung laptop ko.
So anyway, pumasok. Eto na. Medyo umuubo na konti. So nung commercial break, labas kami lahat. Then yung mga pagkain pinadala, di ba? May coffee, tapos yung sushi bake.
Sinigang.
Sinigang, oh. Yung sushi bake, may kasama wasabi yan, di ba? So kain kami ng kain. May konti,
Hindi siya kumakain.
hindi kumakain
Hindi kumakain
konti.
siya.
Pero sabi niya matabang.
Not really, no.
Matabang.
Matabang.
No, wala pa.
Mga sides na, may mga sides na.
No. He wasn't eating. And then you told him,
That was weird is because usually when we get food, he's the first
he's
one.
the first.
walang
Kasi
gana,
patay
walang
gutom
gana.
siya. So we're wondering,
We're looking at it like,
Joe, eat na. No.
no, I'm okay. I'm
Siguro he
full.
was already feeling symptoms na walang
Walang
gana.
gana. Walang
Panlasa.
lasa eh.
Panglasa.
And
Tapos,
then, like,
I asked him, I was like, what you take the wasabi?
Parang buong wasabi, sabi ni Slick, parang isubo mo yung buong wasabi, yung bilog. Puta kinabahan. Pero sinubo niya. Tapos namamawis na yung ulo niya. Tangina, tumutulog. Nakatingin lahat sa akin, papuwis si Gago. Sabi niya, it's good.
Tapos,
Sabi ni Slick, puta may COVID ka!
and then sinigang.
We go, sige,
Yung sinigang.
Eat the sinigang. Sinigang. Tapos he goes, ay, walang lasa.
Sabi niya,
Lasang tubig! Yung sinigang.
matabang yung sinigang, or like, oh fuck, this guy got COVID.
Pare, true enough, after 3 days, may
That
COVID
weekend.
si Slick. 4th day, lahat kami COVID.
Ako yung last.
Ikaw
Ikaw
yung
yung
last.
last.
Ikaw yung last na nagkaroon.
Tapos after that, the whole building shut down
Buong
because of
building
him.
sumara.
May memo.
Dahil kay Jojo.
Ano ba tong, dahil ba to sa kabobohan niya?
Oo. Wala na paligo yung kabobohan.
Kasi
Ang tagal
parang,
bago na forgive ni Sam. Tagal, years.
Hindi kasi nalaman natin na fake yung test niya 6 months later eh.
Because he lives with at that time, he was still staying with his mom.
Oh, na senior.
Senior. Slick parents.
I had a newborn.
Newborn. Ito, boyfriend at that time, or fiancé na.
na newborn din.
Mali!
New boyfriend. My dad was bedridden.
Okay.
So ito, nalaman lang ni Sam na hindi siya nagpa-test 6 months later. Parang nagkakwentuhan lang kami on air. Tapos parang sabi namin, naalala namin first time nagpa-test tayo. Tapos si Jojo humirit ng, actually, hindi pa ako nagpapa-test ever.
Ayun, tayo.
So biglang si Sam parang, teka lang. Ano hindi ka pa nagpapa-test ever? Ayun na, napikon na.
Kailan mo napatawad si Jojo?
Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin.
Hindi pa rin.
Awkward sila, awkward.
Awkward. It's always awkward.
Sa akin, pag nakikita ko siya, he looks like COVID. Yun ang itsura ng COVID. Mukhang COVID, bagay mo na mukha ni Jojo. Siya yung parang ano yun, endorser. Brand ambassador ng COVID.
It's
Bad trip eh. Nakita ng tao mukhang COVID. Si Jojo, tignan nyo.
Si Kobe.
never been
Tingin
the
mo
same.
sa microscope eh, no?
Si
Ando si
Jojo,
Jojo,
may
oh,
COVID
kamusta
ka.
kayo?
May mga... Si Jojo lang ba yung naging ganon na sa inyo? Na... Na-ban na or...
Laban ba siya?
Hindi, na
Hindi,
parang
hindi.
naging kagalit ng ninyo, ng group nyo.
Di ba may isang girl yung inaano ni Tones?
Inaano?
Inaano?
Inaano
Si Victoria
sa...
London.
Wow.
Wait, kilala ko to.
Yeah.
Blast from the
Malaki
past
yung
yung
boobs.
pangalan. Okay, yes.
She used to be a...
FHM top 100 to
FHM.
dati, di ba?
Way before, she was
FHM
a model, then she came back in the early 2000. Ano siya, model, host. And then she came back mid-2000 to do FHM and revive her career. And yeah, binan ko. I said, don't come back. I think
Oh, what happened?
nagwala siya eh.
I think she
Lasing,
drank.
lasing.
And anytime there's a disruption within the core, babae, for me no go.
Kwento mo si
Ano
Jojo,
bang
tsaka
ginawa
si
niya?
G. Tonji.
Ay.
Ay.
Hindi, malalato. Malalato.
What a love team.
Nandun ako nun.
Malalato.
So, G. Tonji had come back to the Philippines and we go way back. So I was asking her, maybe she wants to be a co-host. You know?
Jumam.
Jumam.
Maming lang.
Jamming lang.
And so she's like, okay, game. Let's try it out. And she had never met Jojo, and so for the first time, Jojo walks in, and they introduce each other, and then we go on air, and then the first thing that Jojo says, "Oh, you're ancient."
No. It's because yung context is that we were like, Jojo, can you, because we've known G for the longest time now. She's always been the prettiest girl, you see her on TV.
Gorgeous.
Beautiful. Tapos Jojo, this is your first time meeting her. Can you describe how she looks? Yun. Tapos Jojo looks at her.
He didn't know any better.
He, in his mind, you look ancient.
Yeah.
Tapos me and
Baka
Jojo-
naman Asian, di lang masabi ni Gago.
Pero me and Tony, we looked at each other. Oh my God. Tapos you could see her face. It just changed. Her face just changed.
She got up and she goes, apologize. And then we had to go off air, and then she walked out. And I had to talk to her, and I said that Jojo's special.
Ginamit nila yung special card. The special guy.
Parang may ganyan din tayo
May mga
dito.
instances kailangan.
Roger.
Paano may di-describe si G. Tonji?
Not Asian.
Galing ah.
Yeah.
Mahusay.
So no offense si G. And eventually, it was never the same between those two. Medyo,
Awkward.
she expected him to be, on a broadcast level of may sense dapat. And Jojo thinks, he doesn't think when he speaks.
Mahirap talaga pag isang taon hindi nag-iisip eh.
Walang filter.
Hirap
And you have to understand that what
DDS
he's
pala
trying
si
to say,
Jojo.
what he's trying to say isn't really what he means.
Feeling ko naman like may translations in his head of what ancient is or whatever.
Old school, siguro gusto niya sabihin.
O classic.
Or
Parang ganun. Alam mo yung legendary.
Or
Ageless. Alam mo yun,
I think
ageless.
he was trying to say ageless. Walang kupas.
Or Egyptian.
But in English, ancient ang lumabas. So, yun.
But then you have to give it up to Tony is because, we were making fun of Jojo. Pero si Tony, si Jojo,
Panganay yun.
Sobrang panganay na
that's
anak
like
niya
his son.
Mag-anak ka na rin lang ng pretend eh. Special pa. Putang ina.
George, baka gusto mo magpaampong kay Tony, Roger.
Hindi, si Jojo.
60% ng damit ni Jojo.
Actually, 100% of his clothes were
Wala
all
lang si
Tony.
Sikip.
Tony, ano yan?
Tapos all of a sudden you see Jojo, naka-Zara, naka-Fred Perry, tapos Polo, galing kay Tones.
Eto ba, baka naman at the back of your mind, parang gusto nyo rin, meron ding, kaya pinasa nyo kay Jojo, baka naman nililid nyo rin. Alam nyo rin may sasabihin katarantaduhan to.
Hindi. Wala.
Wala naman.
Well, he was like,
Meron din.
yeah. He was like our punching
Not to
bag.
that extent
Siya
na
yung-
ancient, di ba?
Pero hindi mo kasi may expect kung ano yung sasabihin niya. Alam mo yung
Sobrang wild card.
May sasabihin siyang kagaguhan, katangahan, na laugh trip. Pero minsan parang, puta, saan ang galing yun? May ganun na parang, paano mo naisip
Nasasabi din
yun?
yan dito sa show namin.
Alam mo,
Saan galing yun?
I'm a non-violent person, pero una akong nakasapakan, naghamon ng sapakan sa office si Jojo.
Totoo yun.
Nagsapakan kami. Sapakan kami, pero
Nasa
sinings
Facebook
namin.
yan,
Nasa
Ano yun, wala
Facebook.
sa mukha, ganun,
Nasa
wala sa
Facebook. Sabi ni Slick, sige, para patas, bukas i-set natin. Nagbenta pa ng ticket si Gago. Nagbenta to.
Businessman!
Pare, nagbenta ng ticket. Tapos, clear yung mga office chair. Parang dito. Gloves. Para sabi mo, para walang sakit ang
dala
gloves.
ko gloves.
Pero
Ayaw
sapakan
mo
kayo.
magbigay ng context kung bakit kayo nag-away.
Pare,
Kwento mo.
may chinichicks ako.
Yeah!
Babae talaga, pare.
Teka.
Nag-aaway yung mga lalaki dahil sa
Maganda ba
babae.
to? Maganda?
Sakto.
Mapapahamak eh. Mapapahamak.
Alam mo, kung hanapin niyo sa YouTube yung suntukin niyo,
Picture ba?
Thank you.
Alcohol.
Thank you.
Ay, bigyan ng alak si
Alak pa.
Alak muna.
grabe yung sound.
May baso, bigyan nyo ng ano to.
Binigyan lang talaga ng alak eh, no?
Alam mo yung mga babae, pare, di ba? Pag may nalaman sila, tapos hindi mo alam na alam nila, yung
Pipish ka?
hindi, yung pinakadelikadong tanong yung,
Fishing ka.
is there something you wanna tell me?
Ay.
Ay, ginanong ka.
Pag ginanong ka ng isang babae, pare, damn if you do, damn if you don't. Walang tamang sagot yun. Yung, is there something you wanna tell me? Kasi parang nagaguguhan na lang kayo eh. Kaya sabi mo, no. Diba? Sabi niya, are you sure? So pare, as a guy, isip mo lahat ng mga kasalanan mo, pare, plus 20 years. Lahat ng mga sins mo. Isip mo ano sa mga sins mo nalaman niya.
And I like to tell you na, nag-invest to emotionally.
Oo.
Nag-invest to.
Tsaka konting pera rin.
Gano'n ka konti?
Medyo
Napagastos na konti.
medyo okay naman kasi.
Sa 44,000,
Kaibigan mo to.
sa 44,000, magkano na pupunta sa kanya?
Sa 44, siguro mga 18, ganyan.
Wala kayo na.
Malaki yun.
Halos mga 30%
May feelings,
yun,
may
no?
feelings.
May feelings.
Baon ba sa
Oh,
college
tapos,
to?
Sabi, is there something you want to tell me? Sabi ko, there's nothing I want to tell you. Sabi niya, are you sure? Sabi ko, wala talaga. Kasi may naririnig ako. Ang sinasabi mo sa akin, parang ganyan-ganyan. Or about us. Sabi ko, wala naman. Sabi ko, wala naman. Puta.
Tinagayan na eh.
Gusto ko sa daming beses nangyari sa'yo, hindi ka pa natuto eh. No?
Oo,
Alam mo
eto
na
na.
eh.
So sabi ko, bakit? Ano ba alam mo? Sabi niya, sinabi kay sa akin ni Jojo. Pare, bro code yun. Bro code yun, di ba? Pag mayroong pinuporma ang isang bro mo, siyempre pare, don't talk shit about him.
Dapat wingman eh.
Oo.
Wingman. Pare, sinisiraan ako si Sam, may ibang dinidate. Oo, mga ganun. Tapos
Damn
parang,
you, Jojo.
Damn you! Damn you!
Which wasn't true. It wasn't true. Ibig sabihin ni Jojo, when Sam was still single, he would be dating around.
Oo.
But when he was dating this girl, ano siya?
Medyo
Wala.
honest.
Honest.
Loyal.
Loyal.
Hindi, minahal niya.
Tapos, eto na. So, nalaman ko. So, nag-away kami ni Girlie, pare.
Teka,
Kailan
ganun
pa
no?
kami?
Ganyan ang wingman. Yan ang
Baka may
wingman.
sasabihin siya
We're
sa'yo.
bros. We're bros. Ha?
Gago sakto lang.
Sobrang loyal.
Ibang
So, ito na.
Dito lang naman sa story. Siya naman kasi nagsa-story.
Sabi-
Loyal siya dyan.
Sige, kwento mo yan eh. Go.
Sabi ko, ano ba sinabi? Sabi niya, dahil mo daw babae, ganyan. Ikaw, gago yun. So, nangyari, galit na galit ako. Nag-show ng Monday. Weekend din, syempre, hangout. Kami ni girl, mga 3 days na kami nag-uusap. Monday, Tuesday, guesting ni Jojo. Pare, sumugod ako pinigil ako ng security ng building. Kasi, di ba, sinusugod na sa video pa yung sinusugod.
Sir, bawal
Sabi-
pasok yung motor.
Sa basement.
Doon po.
Sa basement.
Doon po ang motor. Doon po ang
Parking
motor.
lot, Turbon.
Uy, pang ulo.
Doon.
Bawal po dyan. Kotse lang po dyan.
Grab food, no? Doon.
Puta, ito na. Ay, sinusugod. Sinasapa ko din yung glass. Kasi sa stage na may glass. Parang kami aquarium eh. Parang sa spakul eh. Parang kami ganun. Parang kami spakul doon. Pwede yung panoorin sa labas. Sinasapa ko din yung aquarium. Puta, labas ka dito kayo na.
Jojo.
Eh di syempre, baka nangingisay. Si Tony naman.
74.
Huwag kang lalabas. Si Slick, huwag kang lalabas. Sasampa, ipapatayin ganyan.
Ako, Jojo.
So ginawa ni Slick, sabi niya, ganito na lang, no? Bukas, balik tayo dito, sapakan kayo na maayos, boxing gloves dun sa office.
Parang very, gentleman.
Para baka, so nagdala ako ng gloves.
Hindi, ang galing kasi nagbenta siya sa Ticketnet. Di
Benta
ba?
ng ticket,
Pagkakitaan natin to!
Right-minded. Tapos may pay-per-view sa Facebook. Yeah.
Ang title ba niya Sam YG versus Special Child?
Pag Facebook mo, Suntukan 899.
Ayun, tama.
Yun yung hashtag.
Yun ang poster.
Let's get down!
Wow.
Pero, paano si Jojo nito during this time na...
Nangingisay na.
Tatakot siya.
Ito na, sapakan na. Siyempre ako, sinasapak-sapak ko na yung pader para pang intimidate. Pag may sapakan ka, yung sapakan Pinoy, mga 5 seconds lang yan eh. Di ba? 3 minutes sa sapakan yung hawakan mo nga tenga, di ba? Sapakan mo nga yung pader, di ba? Hawakan mo ilong.
Ano?
Di ba? Ano? Yung maraming ano. Tapos sinasapak-sapak ko yung pader para ma-intimidate. Pinapawi siya na si Gago. Pagkasabi ni Slick, 3, 2, 1, fight. Tangina, takbo lang siya. Takbo pa ikot-ikot ng office. Di ko mahabol. Kakainin mo si George Prato kung may gloves.
Sabi ni Jojo, pip pip.
Nagkatuluyan ba kayo nung yung babae? Nagkatuluyan kayo?
Sakto lang din.
Sakto lang din.
Everything has its right timing. Timing lang. Timing
Hindi
lang.
nga sabi ko,
Timing lang.
favorite line niya, in God's time.
Timing lang.
Nasapak mo ba kahit paano si Jojo?
Oo naman.
Hindi, una tinitry niya ako bigyan. Tapos binigyan ko ng isa puk, tapos tumumba na.
Tapos nireport ka sa DSW.
Nalapag daw kayo na may Down syndrome dito.
You guys watch it. It's on Facebook.
Facebook.
Pag pinanood niyo siya, puro hingal lang yung marinig.
Hingal si Jojo.
Hingal na hingal.
Walang cardio si Sir.
Pero nagkaayos naman kayo after.
Hindi na, parang yung last na yun.
Ay, wala.
Never mo ba?
Nawalan ako ng tiwala. Siyempre, diba, as a brother, gaganong ka.
Ano ba inamin niya sa akin? Na kaya niya daw sinabi yun kay girl? Kasi type niya si
Oo
girl.
nga, alam ko. Type ka rin.
Putang inang yan. Ano to? Grade 5? Never nyo bang sinabi kay... pag-usapan nyo yung lahat na, ba't ba natin sinasama ito?
Sinasabi ko kay Tons.
Yeah, there are times where why do we help him out with gigs? Kasi sumasama yan sa gigs and we always give something to him. Ang favorite line niya, may Eddie ba yan?
May Eddie.
Eddie.
Anong Eddie?
Eddie.
Eddie sa akin. Nagagawin siya, Eddie sa akin.
So, it
Special
came to an actual point na talagang it ran its course where...
Alam ko yung actual point na yun. Pati ikaw na bad trip eh.
Yeah.
Pare, sumali kami dun sa, pwede naman sabihin, may shampoo endorsement ba kayo? Wala naman.
Wala.
O, clear.
Parang personal Personal shot Parang jab lang. Kaya nga pagsuntukan si Jojo sa'yo.
Hindi. Pero
nag-clear ako.
Kinuha din ako ng clear.
Yun nga, tayo na kinuha.
Wala.
Hindi,
Kinuha din ako
kaya nga
clear.
kay Rems ako nakatira eh. Nakatingin sa akin ko, kalba ka naman, di ba, pucha?
Yung kontra kutoy sa akin eh. Oilganics.
Totoo.
Laban sa kutoy. Shoutout sa Oilganics.
Clear dream match. Nagkaroon sa soccer. So naglaro kami ng football buong araw. Pagod na pagod
Ito
kami.
yung malaking titi ni Tony?
Yes, yung labas yung birdie niya. Kita yung Potato Kingdom.
Naalala mo ba yun ako nga, no?
Ito na. Siyempre, pagod,
Sa'yo, ikaw pa nakaalala.
Si Titi eh.
pagod na pagod kami. Bumalik kami ng locker room. Finally, tapos na ako kaya appear. So, yung Clear, yung brand, nag-prepare ng pagkain. Ito na, pizza, spaghetti, ganyan. Naka-box per person. Puta, lahat ng players meron, kami lang wala. Walang box. Puta, kinain niya lahat ng pagkain namin. Inubos niya. Ayaw niya aminin. Sabi ko, saan yung pagkain namin? Tapos yung mga tao, sir, wala. Nandiyan po kanina, nakita namin pa yung mapangalan nyo. Si Jojo, nakita yung pagkain namin. Ay, hindi. Puro crumbs. Puro chicken yun. Tsaka yung spaghetti, tumutulong. Kinain niya yung 3 box ng pagkain namin.
Gago lagi. Ano, parang siyang sinungaling lagi?
Oo.
Special nga. Kasi.
Eto ba, baka naman naitanong nyo rin sa sarili nyo, baka naman yung suicide story niya ano din, kasi nungalingan din.
That we'll never know.
Yeah,
I think it was at the right time, at the right moment, and we don't want to joke when it comes to mental health.
Mahirap na
For us,
magsugal pag ganyan.
kasi at that time, in 2012, may radio show in Australia. Nag-prank call sila ng isang, I think, nurse na sa UK. And they pranked that nurse na namatay yung bata na so I think in the hospital that she was taking care of. Filipina nurse ba yun, I think? Nagbikte. And they were, those 2 DJs in the morning show na nakasuhan sila. And I remember that. And we were joking around at that time. It was Ramon, the Dragon,
Si Ramon.
was on air. And we were joking na, sige, talon. Because we didn't know who he was. But then I recall that case and I said, oy, baka mag-jump to. We're screwed.
Oh, because the topic in the evening was you only live once, so blank. So we got callers. We always pick up callers on the fly.
Hashtag pa, days
Baka
pa yun.
dated ng you only live once. YOLO.
Twitter. YOLO. Tapos, he picked up. We're like, okay, so what's your name? Jojo. Okay, what's your YOLO? He's like, you only live once, so tell that person you love them. Tapos kami, it's very generic. Tapos, I guess one of us asked, did you tell that person that you love them? Tapos all of a sudden, it was quiet for a few seconds. Tapos, we're like, huh? What happened? Tapos he started crying on air. Tapos we all looked at each other. Tapos I think Tony took over. He's like, are you okay? What happened? Tapos he goes, yeah, I should have told my girlfriend that I loved her. Tapos si Ramon asked, what happened? He's like, I caught her with my daughter mate. Huh? You caught her with your daughter mate? Saan? Sa coffee shop holding her hand. Tapos like,
Kiniklik daw yung mouse.
Dota. Tapos all of a sudden...
Walang laptop yun, ha?
Wala. Tapos we were wondering, tapos si Tony's like, are you okay? Are you fine? He's like, I'm here in the office. Tapos the window's open and I want to jump. Tapos yun. So we just took over. It's like,
Second floor lang naman.
Bali lang yun.
Pilay lang at most.
Tapos we were asking, where are you? Ortigas? What building? We're trying to figure out where. Tapos parang we all just said na, don't jump. Tapos we all gave the, you'll find someone better, stuff like that. Tapos, I think Ramon said something funny. He's like, please update us on Facebook. Pero
may mahanap kang ibang kadota.
Pero if you don't update us...
Oy! High vibes!
He's like...
Puta boy, yan ang tsura ng COVID! Nakinggan yan! COVID yan! Iwasan nyo!
Si Ramon goes, just update us on Facebook. Tapos, pero like every day, put a new status. Pero if there's one day that wala kang status, then alam natin na okay.
Tapos na.
Tapos na. Tapos, siguro a month later, that's when he came to the station. Yeah. So I'm outside the station.
May suot siyang bomba.
Hindi ako tumalon, pero sabay-sabay tayo.
Let's go!
Nakita rin kaya nilang suicidal si Judas dati?
No, baka depression yung kay Judas, no?
Parang, hindi siya binigyan ng refund eh.
Yeah. So, yan po ang mga random thoughts.
Dumaan na.
Si Tin naman, paano napasok sa Boys Now? Kasi before ganito, di ba, Good Times ka.
Yes.
Tapos may sarili ka sa tanghali
Hapon,
with
yes.
CJ.
With CJ.
Rest in peace, Siege. We love you. Paano ba ako? They just invited me. They asked me, gusto mo ba? Mondays. Kasi nung time na yon, it used to be Maniac Mondays with Ramon. Tapos nangyari yung nangyari.
Ano yun?
Yung nangyari.
Yeah.
Duterte
Ramon
ba to?
left. Ramon decided to basically focus on himself. He just didn't want to do radio anymore.
That was that time.
Ito yung hipon incident.
Yes. Yes.
Pero nag-chicks pa rin siya.
What a brother. What a brother.
Jab lang.
He decided to just, sabi niya na wala na siyang time for radio, and we accepted it, the money. I mean, once you're part of Boys Night Out, you'll always be part of Boys Night Out. If you decide to move on, okay lang. Wala kaming bad blood, you know what I mean, with anyone eh. So, for us, we saw, shoot, may butas kami on a Monday. So we asked if Tin wanted to join us once a week. But I think this was the transition na we saw na hindi pwede naman babae sa Manyak Monday, di ba?
So,
It's quite harsh, you know.
Because Tin asked us if we can change.
Can we change it? Yeah.
And for us naman, we're kung gago kami, we'll keep it. Who the fuck are you to tell us, you know, about the name? We're like, okay, maybe let's just
It's time to move on from
for
that.
the sake of maybe also sales and then selling the show. You can't sell a show Manyak Monday with, you know, Tin who's not comfortable. She's not comfortable. Kung sana okay lang siya eh. But she wasn't comfortable with the name, so we got together and we said, okay,
Manyakon
a
Mondays.
unanimous decision. Unanimous decision na for her, let's make it Happy Mondays na lang. So naging Happy Monday. Almost like happy ending, but Happy Monday.
So meron pa rin, nag-compromise, kumbaga, pagdating sa So
But
paano,
we have to give it up to Tin is because parang she can be gago at some certain point, pero when it comes to like, okay, if we overstep ourselves,
Women's
she'll
rights,
yeah,
you
she'll always ring us, hey, you can't say that.
call
no.
us out.
Too much.
She'll call us out. Nah, parang we're like, okay, we're
But it's great because that's the dynamics of guys eh. Di ba? Tayong mga lalaki. Sometimes we go overboard, especially, you know, when we have a few drinks. And on air, we always go overboard before. So having a female there to call us out teaches us and it teaches our listeners. May natuto kami na...
may moral compass kayo.
Siya lang.
Medyo may problema kayo kung ang moral compass nyo, ako. Malaki
Oo nga,
problema
medyo.
na. Pero sobrang, I have to give it up to them as well. Kasi hindi sila alam mo yun, parang very welcoming yung kapag sabihin ko, I think we medyo overstep dun sa adlib na yun. They'd be like, oh, sige, let's reel it back in.
Well, we'll always agree to disagree. But at the end of the
Yes.
day...
Maraming beses tayo nag-away, Tones.
all the time.
On air.
On air.
On air
Mag-away
lang.
kami. Na, you know.
Petty lang ba o karapat-dapat
No,
pag-awayan?
we'll stand our
Opinions.
ground.
Oo.
Nagsuot din kayo ng gloves.
Hindi. Ano lang, massage oil.
Massage oil.
Pero lagi pag off ng mic, we're good. Di ba? All the time.
For the show lang, for the show.
Ano yung nadagdag ni Tin doon sa sa
Kamanyakan.
chemistry niyo?
Kamanyakan.
Oo, parang nagkaroon ba ng ibang klaseng parang audience na dumating?
I think it softened our audience na, oy, pwede pala babae maging tropa eh. Di ba they always say, oh, you can't have a girl. And the guy who fired me wanted her out because of
Yeah.
that. That was one of the...
Misogynist si sir.
We
Super.
actually fought because he said, si Tin, siguro once a week na lang siya.
And then he wanted to give me a
said,
separate show.
Why would you take her out? She's part of the crew, part of the boys. Why are you separating her?
He didn't want her to be too outspoken. That's
And this was literally, and I understand that she's very, very alpha na babae. Very alpha. And I'm okay with that. I have no ego. Okay lang, babae. Some days I'll lead, some days she'll lead, or some days Slick will lead, or Gino, or Sam. But I think it's only right that she's herself and ayaw niya. And I'm okay with that. I don't think we should be afraid of a girl taking lead on a show.
I
Okay lang.
started out as a mega fan of Boys Night Out. Tas, nagkaroon ako ng super toxic relationship. Super basura guy. So every time I'd listen to BNO, natitrigger ako. Alam mo yun? Yung parang, oh my God, parang ito yung may makakolor silang girls na nagsusumbong na, feeling ko nag-cheat yung boyfriend ko kasi ganito guys. Shit! Ginagawa din ng jowa ko lahat yan. So nag-cheat din ba siya? So parang natitrigger ako. So I stopped listening for a while. And then when I joined them, ang dami ko nakuha messages from girls na parang, we're so happy you're there. We can listen na again. Alam mo yun, na medyo natakot din sila. I guess natitrigger din
The
sila
show
for a
is
while.
triggering.
And then pati sila, I mean, there was a time na medyo, matindi talaga ang Boys Night Out, diba? And I think, them allowing me to infiltrate. Alam mo yun? Parang...
Penetrate
the boys.
Penetrate na
Sige, let's
natin
use
yan.
penetrate. Was also
Can
a
be
sign
anal.
na they were moving into a new era na din as boys. Diba? Naging ano na din sila. You became more less bastos. You became more about
Aware.
Empowerment ng women. Alam mo yon? That was the shift. That's why I was so proud of you guys.
Meron ba mga na-disappoint?
I'm sure.
Meron ba mga old fans na ano?
Maliban sa boss nyo?
I'm sure na parang, alam mo yon, boys to di ba? So, kung may babaeng papasok, parang baka KJ, alam mo yon, parang, yun, baka mabawasan yung bastos stock. And yun na nga yung nangyari. But also, that was the 2012. So, medyo pamito na nun di ba? So, if they didn't shift, dami yung cancelable moments.
Tama, kasi ngayon,
diba?
ang daming nagbabash kay Joey De Leon pag kunyari naghirit siya ng mga bastos na jokes mga tito jokes niya.
Kailangan meron din mag-reel in di ba?
Pwede natin sabihin sa anak niya.
Oo.
Century Park Hotels.
Delis na! Kung naghahanap kayo ng quick merienda, nako, ang sagot lang dyan ay Delis na!
Ito yung spot na kapag bigla kang nag-crave ng something sweet,
Delis na!
Mga bread, pastries, ensimada, croissant, cookies, batik, fresh,
Lagi! Ayan, ang
Delis na! Pasalubong o pang coffee or gusto mong mag-legit cheesecake?
Delis na! Oy, yung mga Patreons dyan, meron kayong 10% off dito. Kaya pumunta na kayo sa Delis na! Sino nga pala yung nanay ni Marcia, sa Jan and Marcia? Si Delis na! Oy, pero mas masarap pa rin dyan sa
Delis na! Oh, may 9 seconds pa tayo. Anong sasabihin natin?
Delis na!
Why? Delis
Tumigil na rin ba kayo mag-guess ng mga sexy?
Hindi pa rin.
Hindi.
Hindi pa rin.
Ato ka pa rin.
Naamoy ng kilikili to.
Di ba sabi
umalis
naman
si
namin,
Sam eh.
compromise.
Umalis na si Sam, hindi na kaya.
Hindi ko na kaya. Ayoko kasi yung ganun.
Ayaw.
Bawal.
Hindi dapat kasi.
Well, you never did like it, no, pare?
Sa pilitan.
Kumbaga napilitan lang, binabayaran lang ako para magawin yun. Pero ayoko.
Pag nakita mo yung mukha niya pag in-interview namin, yung galit siya, may pikon. Para ayaw niyo talaga
Sabi ko,
kausap.
this shit is disgusting. This show is disgusting.
This show is disgusting. What's your Instagram?
Follow.
Let me follow you.
Like.
Hindi, pinapalo ko lang. Pero yung like si Slick Rick.
First to like.
Gising ko pala naka-like na yan. Hayop.
Inaamin ko, pinapalo ko. Pero pagkagising ko, like by Slick Rick.
Lahat ng bikini pics, check out Slick's bikini pics.
Grabe.
Like,
Lahat
like.
Pero totoo nga pagka may gusto kayo i-follow na babae, tingnan nyo lang yung mga following ni Slick.
Hayop.
Walang tapon.
Walang tapon. Kaya merong slick
Most-
pic.
Oo, doon ako na kumukuha dati.
Dati
Tsaka,
Ganda.
tsaka
Good idea.
meron nga minsan parang hindi mo naman, alam nga sa guy, may type ka rin, di ba? Hindi ko naman masyadong type, pero nakikita ko like by Slick Rick. Tapos zoom in ka ng konti, di ba? Okay na rin, sige.
Ako hindi ako nag-like eh.
Mula Taiwan, mga Taiwanese.
Korea.
Korea. Oh.
Wala akong likes eh.
Pinipili.
Wala kang...
Si
siya
Tones kasi
nagla-like.
walang like, walang pina-follow.
Wala.
Pero sa DMs. Puro sa DMs yan.
Buti nga, wala si Slick sa Chicago nung narito.
Noon lahat, may nag-guest tayo dati, di ba, na parang taga VMX, na parang nag-guest lang siya, tapos parang, kausap namin. Tapos nalaman namin na pinadala na ng shawarma ni Tone.
Putang ina, pinatikim yung shawarma.
Pinatikim yung shawarma.
Ang laki!
All meat.
Dati may business kami.
All meat shawarma.
All meat shawarma.
Di ba meron kang armpit check?
COVID check.
COVID check.
Meron ka na bang naamoy na may putok tapos...
Good question, James.
Actually.
Or maasim na may
Tinanong
something?
yan.
Wala
May
pa,
something,
wala pa. Parang mga Pinay talagang
Malinis.
Ko.
Pero that went not only in the booth, parang when he would go out, mga girls,
Papaamoy na rin.
Papaamoy na.
random
Namamalengke
girls. He's in the club. Oh, smell my armpit.
Namamalengke
Living the dream.
Oh, living the dream.
Living the dream.
Legit ulit! Ay, ako! Ay, paamoy na nakalikalay!
Tapos lahat ng guys, DJ Toad. Yeah, because guys have that fetish of armpits.
Do they?
Yeah.
Meron. Dito, sino dito mahilig sa kilikili?
Dito sa stage, sino mahilig sa kilikili?
Yung kapatid ko,
Like,
kilikili.
Like, ikaw, si Gino lang.
Sige na nga.
Ayan na si Gino. Paamin.
Ako, amin ako.
Oo, naman.
Wala naman.
Basta hindi magaspa.
Meron sa
Oo,
paa.
no king shaming.
Paa, legs, di ba? Mga ganun.
Alex. Yan.
Kilikili.
Sa'yo armpit talaga, Gino.
Oh.
Yan.
Armpit
Sa'yo,
talaga.
Slick.
Mga armpit feet. Yun. Diba? We've always been telling Tin,
Arm feet.
you have to do like an OnlyFans na feet. Oh my gosh. They make
Only
so-
feet.
Only
Only
feet. They make so much money.
Ang lakami nga kinita ng babae para nakabili ng
May isang
bahay.
babae nga,
Yung iba,
tatlo yung barkada
$500
niya.
No face.
Wala silang pera, mga college students. So ang ginawa niya, nag-create ng account and she was able to get tickets for Coachella for 3 of her friends. Makano yung Coachella tickets, di ba? Mahal. She paid for all of them.
Accommodations,
Just
lahat.
pictures
Oh.
of her feet.
What an inspiring story.
Oh!
Yung barrio!
Ito, yung kamay nito parang paa rin eh. Tinan mo.
Pwede na ba?
Oh, Roger!
Pwede.
Kuha tayo.
Pwede mo gamitin.
Oh, you never
Kuha
know.
tayo
You
ng
never know.
only feet.
Actually, pinopost ko yung kamay nito sa fetish site sa Reddit. Fetish site na.
Meron naman.
Kumita ka na.
Kumita ka.
Anong fetish mo, Tony?
Paa and kilikili.
Paa at kilikili din.
Tingnan mo, tapos hindi nagtaas ng kamay.
Sam, ikaw, anong
Ako pet
fetish mo?
person ako, pet.
Pwede, diba?
I mean, out of the paa and feet and puwet.
I think you're more of a foot person, di ba?
Foot and then puwet.
Ikaw yung nag-chicken oil ng paa eh, di ba?
Wow!
Chicken oil, ba?
You need to tell the story.
Ang ganda nito. Ayok.
May-
Sam, take it away, Sam.
It's all you.
Andy
Ano
Rice.
to, circa mga 2014, kasagsagan ng mga maskara sa Bacolod, di ba? May racket niya, pang-host kami doon, papadala kami. Tapos, syempre, bilang kami, masaya lang kami to host or mga event na ganyan. Sabihin ng client, okay lang, isang room na lang kayo. Okay lang, sige lang, basta nandyan tayo, masaya. Let's go. So, isang room kami. Doon kami doon ng Mascara Festival. Syempre, after na ng work, ikot-ikot kami, di ba? Meet ng mga people, ganyan.
Meet ng mga people. Alam mo na eh.
Parang wholesome. Ang wholesome naman, no?
Eto na. Ay, mga 3:30 na umaga. Sabi ko, Paps, pack up na ako. Tulog na ako. Anyway, may susi ka naman na room, di ba? Pasok ka na lang pag tapos ka na. Nasa gumagala pa si Tons. Umiinom pa siya noon, time na yon. Nasok ako ng room. Tapos, sakto, mga siguro pa 4 after an hour, mga 4:45. Parang pasili pa lang yung araw. Pasok na si Tones. Putya, may bit-bit. So ako, alam mo naman tayo, pag may bit-bit, tulog-tulugan tayo. Di ba? Huwag na tayo magulo. Di ba? Alam mo nga action si Sir eh. Di ba? So tulog-tulugan. Pero since idol namin lahat si Tones, kasi grabe na may bembang nito ang dami.
What a brother.
Sabi ko, ito na yung chance ko na makita. Ano ba yung mga galawan ni Tones?
Legendary.
Ano mga moves?
Parang highlight film ba?
Para pinapanood mo si Jordan Private Practice.
Yes,
Sabi ko, puta.
Lackness.
Private
Kita mo na
practice
yung
na walang
lackness.
salawan. Parang
Lumalabas
Jordan
na yung
na walang
mga
salawan.
ito sa ulo.
Kaya na. Yung hotel, parang walang division. Talagang kama lang, ganyan. 2 bed. Eto na. Sabi niya, do you want me to give you a massage? Ginagano niya, hey girl. Parang in English niya, pare. You look so good. English. You want me to give you a massage first?
Oo, sir.
Ay.
There's another story like that, pero let's finish this one.
Hindi ba ako? Ay, puta, eto na. Sabi ko, hindi ko makita yung tsura ni Girlie, pero parang okay rin. Sabi ko, sa silhouette mukhang okay. Di ba, siyempre, gumaganon-ganon ako, parang puta, ito na. Okay. Sabi niya, wait, let me give you a massage first. Sakto, nung lunch namin, siyempre, Bacolod. Kain kami sa mga Bacolod chicken, ganyan. Hindi namin maubos. Take out namin yung iba sa room. Kakainin namin for breakfast. Anyway, eto na. Labas siya ng banyo. Tapos, ginalaw niya yung supot ng chicken. Sabi ko talaga, puta, lakas ng trip ni Tones. Kakain muna bago mariba. Hindi kasi baka naman gutom, di ba?
Fuel lang.
Bumembang ka.
Baka naman kakain muna ng puwet bago kumain ng puwet, di ba?
Oy!
Isol!
Diba? Nag-double down sa ass eh, diba? Kinakalikot niya yung ano, tapos sabi niya sa girl, just lie down. Just lie down, girl. Just lie down. Ganyan. I got you. Ganyan. Tapos, let me massage your feet. Tapos sabi, minamasahe niya yung, parang may oil na. Ayun, minamasahe niya yung pa. Sabi ko, puta, lakas nito, may dala pang baon. Eh, siyempre, sa guide pa, madadala kang condom, pang baon. Pero pati ko nadala ng oil. Pare, sabi ko, kaya pala is the goat, di ba? Kasi puta, orchestrated lahat. Tapos sabi niya, okay, do you want me to lick your feet? Gumagatang inam. Siyempre ako talagang, siyempre pare, ayaw mo pahalata eh, di ba? Sabi ko, puta, ito na, action si sir! Sabi ko, can I lick your feet? Tapos ito na, oh, shit. Tapos anyway, siyempre si girl, anyway, so nagkabembangan sila, okay, whatever. Tapos, pagkatapos,
Hindi maipasok. Kumuha ulit ng chicken oil.
Kama the next day.
puta, yung susunod na umaga, umalis din sila pagkatapos, umalis din si Stones. Tayo, may araw na nun, mga 6 na, tayo na ako finally. Puta, may orange sa bed. Sabi ko, yak! Puta, yung pala, pare, chicken oil ginamit. Yung leftover namin ang swete. Pare, yun ang tira.
Ikaw ang MacGyver ng sex.
Ganon. MacGyver ng sex.
Walang oil eh.
The manager ng hotel, ban kami.
Meron na ako nakabalik.
Sa L. It starts with an L.
Sabi niya, next balik ko dun, kayo nagkalat ng chicken oil.
Sikat na hotel yun. Ban na kami doon.
Wala rin siyang kondom, oh. Kumuha siya ng longganisa.
Tinanggal yung laman.
Ano, sorry. The plastic bag of the chicken oil. He just put it in. Okay na to.
The purpose may lubrication pa, di ba?
Baka nag-body shot pa sila ng Toyo Mansi.
Pero along the same lines is because we were doing a nationwide tour. So, we go different provinces. So, syempre, same. Share a room. We're like, okay, big room, that's fine. Tapos, I think at that time, me and Sam had the room. Si Tony had his own room. So, we partied the whole night. Tapos, there's a girl that Tony, he introduced us. I was like, oh, these are my partners. This is Slick and Sam. Tapos yung girl, she didn't speak English. So we're like, oh, okay, hi. She was very, oh, thank you, like that. Good seeing you, very simple English. Tapos, okay. Tapos all of a sudden, in the evening, all we hear, me and Sam, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Tsaka yung oh my God, may 8. Sabi niya, oh my God. Sabi ko, puta, parang ikaw, mapapray ka rin, puta. Oh my God.
Merry Christmas.
Prayer time.
Parang tapusin mo na yung kalbaryo ni girl.
And then all of a sudden, so breakfast, me and Sam, we were eating that. Tapos ito, si Tony comes down. Tapos all of a sudden, si girl comes down. Hey, what's up, guys? How you guys doing? We're like, oh, damn! Over the whole night, she learned how to speak English because of Tony.
Na-unlock yung part ng brain niya.
Set a stone.
Ano pa kami ni Slick? Oh my God. Oh my, Tony. Oh my God, Tony. Sabi ko, putang ina pare. Yung Christianity ko
Tony, so pag totoo pala itong mga sinasabi nila, wala pang...
Hindi pa.
Davao to.
Anytime pwede ka magsabi na kung hindi na totoo. Pero so pag totoo pala.
Tayo na, Tony, natikman mo na ang Pilipinas.
Sa tingin ko naligaw sa Davao yan. Ang pick-up mo, may Kenny Saguli.
Oh my God.
May Kenny Saguli.
Pero si Tony, everyone knew about him. I think this was before Boys Night Out.
Alam naman.
I think even before Boys Night Out, you know, we were already friends. Tapos we went on a company trip to Cebu.
Iba naman to.
Before,
Iba pa
before
to.
Boys Night Out pa to.
Before Boys Night Out.
So magkakaibigan na kayo.
Oh, we were already friends. So we were in Plantation Bay. So there's a room there. It's
Ano yun, Tony? Ano yun?
the room. I think it's still there. It's PP21. So you go there.
Family room, family room.
Family room.
Family
so
room.
it's
Isang pamilya yung kinanamo, puta.
Ito.
You paused it down. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God, Tony!
Easy.
Sabi niya ganyan, oh my mom, oh my dad, oh my brother,
Oh my lola.
oh my lola, oh my auntie, oh my tito.
Oh, my yaya.
Si Tony ang Goldilocks ng sex.
Pupapasok lang, no?
Eto, what happened was, it was all the DJs in one room. So it was 2 bunk beds, tapos 1 big bed. So Tony and at that time, MC Dash were sharing the big bed.
Walo tayo. Walo?
Yeah. Tapos all of a sudden, I had the bottom bunk near the big bed. So everyone was drinking that whole night. Tapos, eto, I drank too much, so I was like, Tones, I can't go out. Tones like, no, let's go out. We're here, you know, just for a few nights. I was like, no, it's okay.
Siyempre nasa Cebu tayo eh.
Oh, enjoy. So I was like, okay, fine. So parang I went to sleep. Everyone went to sleep. I heard another DJ. He was snoring. So I was like, okay, everyone's sleeping. Tapos all of a sudden, you know how you wake up na parang you hear something but you're not sure. So you're just like, huh. So I just kept my eyes closed. Tapos all of a sudden, I just heard the sound. It was just like,
Naku, may palakpakan.
May slow clap. Slow clap.
Yeah, parang I was like, oh, okay. Tapos what I did, syempre there's a headboard of the bunk bed.
Pumalakpak ka na rin.
And then what I did is I looked over, kasi the bed's here, tapos behind the bed is a big window. So there was light coming in. Tapos all of a sudden, it's like, wow, look at that. There's a girl on top of Tony. and this girl, you know, she's very, you know, she's
Very what?
thick. She was a thick girl. So I was like, oh, look at that. Nice. I was like, good job, Tones. So what I did is like, okay.
It's a supportive friend.
I
Kaya naman tulog-tulugan na naman tayo.
I hear the other DJs, they're all snoring. So, I'll just, you know what? I'll just put my pillow over my head. Okay, I'll sleep. Tapos, siguro mga 3 minutes, 5 minutes later, Tony goes, fuck this.
Sinagag!
So that was a good another 5 minutes that he did that. I was like, oh my God, I hope, what's gonna happen?
Umaalog na yung double decker, putang ina.
Tapos,
Turbo mode, turbo rat.
Eto, so they were done na. Eto, so the bed was here. Tapos there was like a dining set na wood. So eto si girl, she stood up. Right when she stood up, she fell and she pushed everything down. So the table, bang!
Crawled out.
Tapos the girl's like, I'm sorry. Tapos she crawled out. Tapos she was like, I'm sorry. Tapos I was like, does she know that I'm awake? Pero I'll just stay quiet. Tapos she crawled out. Tapos Tony followed.
Alam mo kung ba't nag-crawl out? Bulag siya eh.
Hinahanap niya.
I'm sorry.
Tapos all of a sudden, so Tony left. I was like, okay, it's time to go to sleep.
Ang ganda na sana. Bulog pala.
Tony comes in. Right when he comes in, every single guy there goes, Tony. Everyone was awake. The guy that was snoring, he pretended that he was snoring. He nag-snore for 40 minutes. Kasi yung girl says, oh, you're the other guy, he stopped snoring. Tapos he heard that, he'll for 40 minutes.
Nagka-apnea eh. No?
For 40 straight minutes. Tapos everyone's like, oh, okay, that's Tony, that's fine. So everyone went to sleep. Tapos the next morning.
That morning.
Or that morning. So after a power nap, Tony, he's like this. He's just looking around. I was looking at Tony. He's like, "Are you okay?" He's like, "No, I'm just trying to find something. Just trying to find something." I'm like, "Okay." Tapos his bedmate wakes up. There's something stuck here. Tapos Tony goes, "Oh, there it is." It was his condom.
Nasty, nasty.
Ang baboy mo.
So he's like, "Oh, there it is." Tapos they started running after each other.
Pagpula, what is this?
But my chicken oil!
Sa chicken oil. So,
But I guess also that's part of boys' night out. Na parang
talagang boys night out talaga kayo.
Boys' night out. We didn't care, and that was perfect is because like when we added Gino.
Cebuano siya. Ba't Cebu ka na?
Cebu.
Oh, when Gino came in, we already knew him from of course the Morning Rush, and when he joined Magic, he was on another time slot. But then we're like, hey, why don't you join Boys Night Out? So it was
Siyempre,
perfect.
promising sa akin. Kasi galing ako morning show. So usually hindi ako nakakalabas. Parang kung lalabas ako, puyat ako kasi 6 a.m. trabaho ko.
Tapos co-host mo, Chico and Delamar,
Host ko,
very
Chico,
good
and
people.
then very, radio kind of
Paano ba gumimik sila Chico sa Delamar?
Hindi na sila gumimik. Hindi na sila gumimik.
Yung time na yun, hindi na sila gawala. Wala pa kwentong chicken oil, gano'n?
Wala chicken oil. Wala chicken oil. Pero, so nung sinabi nila sa akin na parang, tara, join ka ng Boys Night Out. So, game, parang, ito na, parang fine. Kasi I would go to these parties, lahat ng events na napupuntahan ko. Parang pagdating ko doon, okay. Tapos pag pauwi na ako, saka lang dadating yung tatlo na parang, eto na, magpa-party night, magpa-party mood na, di ba? Eh ako naman, syempre parang medyo bata-bata pa ako nun. So parang, shit, gusto ko rin ng ganyan. Gusto ko rin manglandi. Gusto ko rin manlandi without consequence. Diba? Yun yung...
Nanonood ka pala yung asawa mo ngayon.
Hindi pa kami nun. So, okay lang.
Ano mo sabihin?
Tapos ngayon, nung paglipat ko ng BNO, parang, ito na, sige, gigimik tayo, lalabas tayo. Puta, nag-pandemic. As in, 1 week after akong sumali ng Boys Night Out, lockdown. Medyo, wow, okay.
Tsaka nagkaanak ka.
Nagkaanak din ako.
1 month after.
Hindi na na-achieve yung gimmick nights na.
Kayo ba nag-set up kayo ng ano yung wildest party na na-set up nyo nung time?
Orgy ba kayo napuntahan?
Di ba ganun? Di ba ganun?
Ninja party.
Di kami...
Kasi pag dumating kayo...
We're very, to be honest, we're very well, not me, but they're very discreet. Actually, kaming tatlo, very discreet. Walang... So far, we don't have a video, right? In the 20 years.
Scandal.
There's not been one...
Wala kayo nung yung... Top 8
Top 8?
na...
Wala kaming top 8. We're very careful. Kung kami, strategic.
Pero notice mo, hindi niya sinabi na hindi siya gumagawa ng orgy.
Sinabi niya,
Walang kopya. Galing ha?
Kasi
Tsaka may video siya, may paper bag lang sa ulo niya. May paper bag ako sa ulo.
Did that or waist
Bacolod
down now.
Chicken
Waist
House.
down.
Ito, may atswete. Puta, si Tony yan!
Oy, baka chicken, mang inasal, baka naman. Diba? Di lang sa chicken, pwede rin sa kantot. Sabi na mo.
Sarap.
Hindi lang only rice, only pop.
Mang inasal pork barbecue.
Sino yung pinakamalakas uminom sa inyo nung nagkasaganahan ng gimmick?
Siguro ako, right?
Ikaw ang pinakamalakas.
Or ako yung starter. Ako yung...
Actually,
ako madalas lumabas and then they follow.
Pero si Tony before Boys Night Out, he never drank.
Yeah.
Pero pag party, pag inuman,
Hindi,
talagang
wala.
magdamagan
It was
kayo.
only during Boys Night Out.
He was always
Yeah.
drinking water. Tapos people are like, oh, what is he on? Why is he just drinking water? So parang when Boys Night Out started, he started to drink. So,
Magugulat kayo si Sam, sobrang lightweight. Sobrang supot sa inuman.
Kaya nga hindi ko na ininom, baka mamaya, naman ako eh.
Supot sa inuman.
May mga panahon niya na pag nakainom, pader na yung kausap
So hindi kayo talaga hindi. Unang nagpaka-healthy sa inyo, sino? May binagago niyo ba yung unang nagpaka-healthy?
Well, no, I think we go off and on eh. Minsan iinom kami, minsan healthy muna tayo over the years because of Century Tuna. 2012, 2010, 2012 was the start of inom tayo, break muna. Every 2 years yun eh.
Saka siyempre, malaki bayad. Tigil ka muna inom. Di ba? Okay lang. Bawi ka lang pagkatapos.
But healthy muna. Healthy muna.
Healthy tayo.
Ano pinakapaborito niyo sa pakol?
Before?
At that, well,
Meron
it's been
dati
a-
sa may
Big Daddy yung dati, di ba?
Big Dad.
Wala na, na-raid na
Ay,
rin.
Big Daddy. San Juan.
Yun.
Yeah, because before,
Alam mo,
Hindi ako may ex-deal.
Yun ang unang experience ko, Big Daddy din.
Ex-deal.
Saan ka nakarinig ng
Oo,
KO
Big Daddy
na
lang yung wala nakalagay spa.
Wala, hindi mo alam.
my friend used to run it. So,
Ano?
used to run all the spas. So,
Ikaw?
So, I would get free.
Freebie.
May ex-deal, ah.
So, I got them at one point.
As endorsers.
To do Boys Night Out, we gotta do Boys Night Out things. So, this was like the start of 2007 eh. Kasi I met that group, siguro mga 2004, 2005. Madalas ako eh, mag-spakul eh. Like, a lot. Like, me and my other friend, even before Boys Night Out, we would go to all, since 1999.
Nagre-review. Google
Boom,
review.
boom, 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 boom.
You're a little too
Yun
proud
lang.
of this.
We just
stars.
review. Oh, dito. And then, eventually, when we started Boys Night Out, they're like, hey, eto, just call me when you're coming. Ako na bahala.
I'm coming! Oh my God!
So parang,
Oh my God!
parang guest list.
Oo.
So, titimbre ko yung konta ko. Daan kami after the show.
Usually nagkakausap pa niya pag last commercial break na ano.
Ano?
Tingin na, ano?
Ano.
Mamaya, pamparelax lang o relax.
Happy sound na-review nyo.
And we don't want to really also be waiting, di ba? Kasi
Makikita
Sa
kayo.
pila.
makikita kami. So, usually, dadaan kami, ihanda mo na. Let's go. We're gonna come by. And then usually we just...
Ihanda mo na pagdating mo doon, nakaganon na yung babae.
No, the room. The massage.
Massage muna kasi yun, Muman. Di naman kantot lagi yun. Massage lang yun. Minsan
Massage.
masakit lang katawan mo, gusto mo lang magpamassage.
But spakol.
And then you outgrow it eh. You really outgrow it.
Kailan mo na-outgrow?
Kahapon.
Last week lang. Thursday.
I think when the barkada gets married and has a girlfriend, you outgrow it. But then my other friend he's never had a girlfriend as well eh. And he's outgrown it as well eh. Parang, we'd rather just hang out.
Usap na lang.
Yeah,
Mas
usap
mura
na lang.
magjakol sa bahay.
Oh,
Para
mas
gano'n.
mura. Mas mura. And
Yan
Walang
yan ang
gastos
lalagay niya
to,
sa
no?
ano ni Gino. Gino, mas mura magjakol sa
Teka lang.
bahay.
I think
Dash 2026.
Sa dami na napuntahan mo, ano yung what makes a really nice na spakol? Ano experience yung putyang inang
Pang
lupit
magandang
nito?
buhay.
I think,
to be honest,
Hindi, kumbaga,
Kumikita ka buhan. Oo, pop talk. Pop na pop.
So when we have mga balikbayan, the one thing that I know that even Jojo can attest to this is if I take out one of my barkadas or a group, kumakain lang ako food. So it has to be good food. They have to have good food.
Ano ito? Recommended to ni Jojo. Recommended ni Jojo to. Ano to?
Pansit, chicken.
Gagi. Sorry, speaking of spakol, nandito na naman tayo kasi hindi ko na nagpakasanatan si Slickton. Tapos, parang dito yung WWE wrestlers.
Yeah, din.
Tapos, pare, tawag si Tone sa akin, pare, gusto mo lumabas? Sabi ko, bakit ano meron? Pare, kasama natin yung mga WWE wrestlers. Sabi ko, sino? Pare, sina Undertaker, kasama ko. Sabi ko, ano trip nila? Pare, spakol tayo.
Tangina, nakakatakot pumasok si Undertaker.
galing. Putang ina.
Tayo ng tayo.
Putang ina.
Hatchback pa ako, hatchback.
Titi nun, chinooks lang.
Pare, sa buong buhay mo, kailan mo nasabi, pare, kaspakol ko sina Undertaker, diba? Rey Mysterio.
619 yung
Pagdating mo doon, no, dalawa kayo ni Undertaker sa kwarto, parehas kayo nakahubad.
Nakatombstone.
Andun din si Paul
Nagulat yung
Bearer.
babae, nasa likod niya na si Undertaker eh. Pinower bomb siya eh.
Gumanon na yung gumanon si Undertaker. Oh.
Mas nauna pa tumirik yung mata ni Undertaker. Sir Under?
Mr. Under! Mr. Under!
Sir Under. Harap na po kayo, Mr. Under.
Mr. Under.
Parang si
I don't know how they fit in my hatchback.
See, Tony, back then he had the Honda hatchback. So how many wrestlers did you fit in there?
Legit, sumakay si Undertaker sa
Undertaker na sa
hatchback
Si
mo?
si Undertaker nakabas, pero may mga tatlo na wrestler na sa likod, di ba?
Si Hacksaw Jim Duggan.
Gusto niya ng hoe eh.
Nasa shotgun, si Coco Beware ba yun?
Dala niya yung parrot niya?
Basta ang dami. We were like, I
Doon
was
tayo sa
driving
may,
like this.
sa may Pasay kami noon eh. Parang yun,
Firehouse.
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 Puta,
There's like 20 wrestlers.
20, sinara nila. Sabi mo, puta, hindi ko ma-imagine na kasama ko yung mga pinapanood ko na sa TV.
Nung pumasok pa sila may intro, break it down!
We have to wait for you!
Generation X!
Yung mga babae ng pa sa steel chair.
Yun yung extra service. You can see me. The top rope. Nice.
Bakit parang si Sam walang storyang katulad mo, Tony?
Safe to. Lover boy.
Safe talaga. Romantic ka talaga sa ano?
See Sam, he's the youngest. So we're always ingat with him. So there's a time that we were partying in Newport. Tapos all of a sudden, so he had a lot to drink. And I was still in the club. Tapos I was like, where'd Sam go? Tapos I asked the guards, like, oh, can you check Sam if he's in the bathroom? He goes, sir, what that? So I was like, okay. So I went outside. There's the bathroom outside where it used to be, where Starbucks. Tapos there's a bathroom there. Tapos I went out. Tapos someone said, oh, see, Sam's there. Okay, so I went in. Tapos all of a sudden, I saw Sam. I was like, oh, this guy is gone. He's sobrang lasing. And this is the time that he was in Bulaga. So parang I just wanted to make sure that he was okay. So I was like, okay. I was like, Sam, are you okay? He's like, oh, I have to drive home. I was like, no, you're not gonna drive home. So that night I already had a room. So I was like, Sam, I'll take you up to the room. Tapos you just sleep it off.
We belong together. Ni romance naman.
Tapos all of a sudden, di ba sa Newport has that long escalator going down. We were going down. Tapos si Sam, he started to go forward. I was like, oh my God, he's gonna... So I grabbed him. Tapos I pulled him back. Tapos I was like, okay, you're fine. So we started to walk to the hotel. Tapos all of a sudden, I saw like a couple, like a family. They're like, oh, si Shivakar. Tapos, parang what I did is, I grabbed Sam. I go, Sam, umayos ka. Tapos si Sam, hi. I go, Sam, just say hi. Tapos they walk away, hi. Tapos Sam, he went down. Tapos took him up to the room. Tapos like, oh, go wash your face. Tapos all of a sudden, si Sam, I put him into the other bed. Tapos all of a sudden, Sam got up. And it was all over the sheets. I was like, oh my God. Tapos I was like, okay, it's okay. Tapos I like, oh. Tapos I like, oh, Sam, just sleep. Tapos by the time I woke up, wala na siya. He left. But then we were always ingat.
No,
with Sam.
probably the most
Pero in
interesting...
fairness, kinumutan ka niya bago. Yung
I think another story with Sam would be yung gulo, yung away. Everyone's probably asking if we ever got into a fight amongst the three of us. No, but probably when he got into an altercation in Boracay, which was really big. That was probably the most controversial for Boys Night Out. When he was allegedly he had slept with a girl. Now, my boyfriend at the time, but there was nothing.
Kilala niyo tong boyfriend, sure.
Nothing happened eh. But allegedly, he was so mad, this guy, that he picked a fight. And for 2 weeks, I would argue with this guy na gusto ibaril si Sam. And I said, why? You know, what for?
Sayang bala.
So he got all these big guys, mga big time na mga anak, to try and go gang up on Sam. I was like, if you're gonna go after him, you gotta go through Boys Night Out. Hindi ako papayag. So, yun. 1 month, 2 months stretch, and I knew it was gonna come. I knew they were gonna come and beat his ass up. But we had to be together. We were always together naman every day. So if they're gonna find Sam, we're gonna be with him. So yun, that day came when we were all in Boracay. I think even Rico Blanco's there. Aya De Leon of
I think it was Sandwich.
Imagos.
Rames.
Rames. And we were invited by a company, and we were being housed at White House, the Tirols. And so, yung away happened right on their beachfront. 5 guys, 6 guys came and tried to grab him. Obviously, I tried to stop it. Rico, Rames, Slick, and the rest of the girls were on the speedboat na. Kaming dalawa na, we were on the shore.
And then, because si Tony goes, oh, everyone go to the boat, go to the boat. What I'm gonna tell Sam, run to the boat.
Nag-CR to eh. Kaya naiwan
So si Tony goes, okay, sige. Tapos, after
and
that.
I was on the phone with this guy, and he goes, umalis na kayo. Get away from him. Just leave him alone. I'm like, no.
Si Sam.
Iwan
Si Sam.
He go, matatamaan ka. I said, fuck no. So I stayed my ground. Yun. They try to grab him. Siyempre, I'm gonna try and help and, protect him. Yun, sinipaan ako na nasuntok ako. It was really bad. And our friend, who's a photographer, took still shots. As it was happening, hindi siya nagtulong.
Wala pa IG story eh.
Sayang.
Picture muna, picture.
Pang Twitter.
Yun, nasa labas ng Abante, all the news, mga
Sayang,
tabloid.
akala ko medyo abot sa Inquirer. Wala, hindi umabot.
Lahat ng tabloid.
Si Tony's like, Sam, run to the boat. Siyempre, run to the boat. You go straight. Si Sam, eto, run to the boat. He runs along the shore.
Nahawakan siya.
Para
It was like
dramatics.
6 guys against 2. So, wala. It happens. You know what I mean? We just have to be more careful. And that's when we decided na just watch who approaches us.
Gagyan, solid mo naman kaibigan.
In terms of girls, yung mga tukso, we were more careful.
Solid talaga siyang kaibigan kasi siya talaga yung nakipag-sex doon sa isa eh.
Sinalo.
Napasa ng
Putang ina yun, no?
Galing ah.
Panalo.
But that's how boys we are. You know what I mean? It was a true test of, if you're gonna get one of us, you have to go through all of us. At that time, it was fun.
So nasa bangka ka nito.
Oo.
Ano, may moment ba nagsasama ka sa kanila, sa tulong ka? Or sabi mo,
Hindi,
malayo na to, Brad.
Ayaw mo basahin chinelas ko.
Bilisan mo pa!
Brad, kuha na mo lang ng pictures!
Run, come here. No. The thing is, when it happened, like, it was funny. It was like, see Rico, see Rames. They're like, hey, there's a fight. So I jumped off the boat. So I started running. Ito, in my mind, I was like, oh, Tony has my phone. Tapos he was holding my phone. That was like when the iPhone was new in the other telecom. So it was free. So I was like, oh, he's going to drop it. And I have to give it up to Tones. Is that he never dropped the phone. Even though people were hitting him, he was holding the phone like this. He's like, here's your phone.
Mahal yung phone.
I was like, oh, magaling ah. Okay, thanks.
Wow, sana, no? Kung nangyari ito, tapos si Raymond Marasigan, nandun si Rico Blanco, tumutugtog si Raymond, sugod ba, kapatid?
Sulit na
Tapos si Rico,
Wala pa, right? Wala pang sugod eh. Wala pa nga eh. Tama. 2012 ba yun?
Pero, I mean, like, for Boys Night Out, be it us or obviously the newer ones, is that we always see each other as equals. So we'd always want to be, treated fairly. Like, when they were saying stuff about Tin where she doesn't belong, I'm like, no, she does belong. And the whole thing with Gino, kasi when we had that meeting, parang the station manager said, okay, Gino, this is
Hindi
your
siya station manager
or program consultant.
Senior.
So he sat us down in that same meeting where he said that there's no money in digital. He goes, okay, these are the characters you're playing. Right when he said that, we all looked at each other. What are we characters? What is this?
In this day and age where authenticity is supposed to be.
You know, someone says to Cool Pals, GB, ito yung role mo.
Ikaw na yung ngongongin, Muman, ha?
Ito, Muman. Ito role mo, James. Ito role mo, James. Total opposite of what you guys are.
So he goes, okay, see, Gino, you are the conspiracy theorist.
Wala akong pakialam sa conspiracy.
Tapos kami, si Gino goes,
Gusto ko lang kumantot.
Exactly.
bakit ako? We go, this is the conspiracy theorist. Si Tony. He's like, no. These are the rules that you're gonna play. We're like, oh, wala na.
Tapos si Tin dapat parang, basta,
You
whenever
hate
you're
being
there,
there.
you hate being there, you don't want to interact
Hate
with
them.
them. Like,
You hate the boys.
like, what?
You always make them bara, like lahat. So we're just like, no.
Tapos si Slick, mag-Tagalog ka full on. Parang ganon. No?
Kaya mo yan, kapatid!
Hindi ka pala amboy, gulatin mo sila.
Sasabihin mo, totot. It works. Never, naisip nyo bang gawin na tong podcast? Boys Night Out podcast.
We've actually...
Lagi tinatanong yan, I'm sure.
I mean, everyone's been asking, and even us, we got together the day I got, the week I got fired, we actually met up at his house. And of course we want to do it, but I think we also, with so much on our plates, we wanna get paid beforehand. So we're trying to find a way where we can find a sponsor or have
So if
sponsors
you're out there...
to put it together, because we need a team. Just like this. I think with you guys started this from grassroots. Kami, we already started from the radio. So bring it to the digital. I think we have media, we have value in terms of, I would think there's monetary value in the name, in the brand, Boys Night Out. So if there's a producer that wants to produce it, a team that comes together, because that's what we need. I don't think we can come together and just shoot the shit. Shoot the shit. I don't think we're there anymore. You know, we're surpassed that thing.
Scheduling din kasi.
And we're not only doing this. Kung sana we are 20 years old doing nothing, I think we can just come together and do episodes. But I think now we have to be more refined.
More intentional.
And intentional, but also we need a team to put it together because he's the busiest. She's also just as busy. They all have two podcasts.
No one's as busy as Sam.
Yeah, they all have two podcasts, right? Each, si Slick family, and he's managing a gym as well, and Hyrox. So when do we have time? So it has to be strategic. It has to be planned out.
Ayaw naman natin bumalik na parang wala lang.
Yeah.
Diba? We talked about this before na parang if we are, because we did a farewell show, so parang if we're gonna go back, it has to be for a really, really good reason. Correct. There has to be like what you said, there has to be intention in it. Yeah. And it has to be something na parang, gumawa lang sila ng podcast dahil wala lang.
Nabanggit niyo yung farewell show. Di ba sa ano yun? With an audience, with a live audience. Anong tingin niyo ng podcast with a live audience? Katulad dito.
Well, the thing is, like, even when we were having this conversation before, we always look to you guys. Is because you guys are doing it so well. And we're like, okay, see, Cool Pals, they're doing it right. Is because you have your audience. There are days that maybe you have an audience. There are days that you guys are just doing your studio. And we're like, okay, that's the perfect setup. Is because you guys have a team. You guys are already a team. And we're like, okay, this is something that we have to try to emulate. And you know, if we want to do it right, we have to do it just as good as you guys. Is because anything that, if we do it half-assed, people are like, oh, just like what Gino said, just because they want to put up a podcast, they just put it up. And walang kwenta. I mean, like for you guys, like every episode that you guys do,
solid eh.
Solid.
Ano nyo, tinasan nyo yung bar eh.
Pinahirapan niyo buhay namin.
I mean,
okay na sana kami.
Masyado kayong magaling eh.
I mean, right before us, you had, diba, si Pia.
Yeah.
You had Pia. Tapos later, you have Enrique. So parang us is that...
Nakakala ko Iglesias.
I mean,
Excited talaga ako. Parang shit, sweaty boy.
I mean, the in-crowd is no different. We've done a nationwide tour, 2007, 8, 9, 10 with a telco. So having a crowd in front of us is nothing new. We've done it. It's just
it's exciting. Actually.
Now it's a bit different because there's a digital aspect to it. We never recorded our stuff. That was 20 years ago. right?
Well, we did put up a podcast network.
Yeah. That was 2012, 2013, 2014.
Too early.
Too early naman.
We were
Ahead of
the
their
game.
time.
Ahead of the game. It was called, which is still on YouTube, Wusa Studios. If you check it out, we had different shows, producing different shows. So it's just a matter of getting the right team because in terms of skill and talent and hosting, I don't think nakulang kami in terms of talent-wise.
I think it's also, parang I think now, if ever we're gonna put our name on something, kailangan pulido. Parang hindi na lang, bahala na. Sige, game, gawin natin. Kasi dumaan na kami doon. Diba? So parang if we're gonna do something, like Gino also said, and encompassing what Tony's saying, maybe a different concept. Maybe a talk show with a game show. Mga ganun, alam mo yun. Something medyo hindi pa nagagawa ng Boys Night Out. Hindi parang masasabi, ay, lumipat lang silang podcast, pero same shit. Alam mo yun? So maybe we're looking for that
X factor.
X factor. Parang, gano'n kami lagi eh. Parang if we're gonna do something, let's do something right. Let's do something, gagawa kami business plan. Gano'n kami. Parang ayusin natin, okay, saan pupunta to? We'll do this now, ano to in like 2-3 years. So, I think it's more of that, na parang, kung babalik yung Boys Night Out, anong bago?
Diba? May sinabing maganda si
Jojo
Sam.
versus Sam.
Part 2.
Putang na, manonood ako niyan.
Tapos
MMA
yung
na, MMA.
gaganapin sa Ace Hardware. Diba? Parang
Eto, meron akong suggestion.
Oval para mas marami.
Jojo versus Roger.
Huwag mo na isabak si Roger.
Bukit! Bukit!
Ganda. Okay, boys...
Game ka ba?
Ay, sorry.
Game.
Galing ha.
Ano?
Hindi, boys night out with... Pwede.
Talagang mailabas lang no?
Putang ina mo.
Mailabas mo sa system.
Pero hindi naman totally kino-close nyo yung door.
No, not at all.
There was one thing that...
Hanggang
Sa susunod na tawanan, dito lang sa Cool Pals.
The Cool Pals is brought to you by the Pod Network Entertainment. Be a Patreon subscriber. Visit www.thecoolpals.com. Watch our live recording at the Cool Pals Bar at the Cellar here at Century Park Hotel, Manila. For schedules, visit our website.
www.thecoolpals.com din yan. Bili kayong ticket dyan. May bayad ang entrance dito. Huwag kayong kuripot. And follow socials sa Facebook, Instagram, X, at TikTok. So, manood din rin kayo ng vlogs namin sa YouTube.
Yan.
Ngayon
Sama
ka
mo
pala,
yan!
Jay!
Isama mo yun!
Isama na yun!
Sama na yan.
Isama mo yun!
Putang inang yan.
Mag-Patreon
Wala ka
kayo
bang
para,
control?
para may panggamot kami kay Roger.
Kanina pa
Please, mag-Patreon na kayo kung gusto yung mabati. Doon lamang. Huwag na kayong mag-comment pa para na kayong tanga niyan.
Yan.
May sinasabi si...
sorry.
May sinasabi mo, sorry, nakat kita kanina.
Hindi. Wala lang.
Yung
Ano
kwento
lang,
kay
may
Sam.
maganda kasi sinabi sa Sam internally sa group namin. Kasi nag-usap kami na parang ano ba, may gagawin ba tayo? Parang gagawa ba tayong podcast, show, whatever. May tumatak sa sinabi ni Sam na parang if I'm gonna come back, I want it to be a legacy building thing. Na parang okay, medyo baduy siya pag-iisipin mo. Pero may sense na parang, kasi yun nga, like Tony was also saying, dinahanan na namin yung grassroots going up eh. So parang do we really want to go through it again? More of like, sayang lang yung nagawa na eh. Kasi as is, yung the intellectual property that is Boys Night Out, solid na siya eh. Kumbaga maganda na yung
established na
ending
kayo.
niya, di ba? So parang kunwari, gumawa ka ng Lord of the Rings, kung may mga nerd man dito. Kung gumawa ng bagong Lord of the Rings, kailangan sobrang gandang Lord of the Rings, hindi yung parang... Sorry.
Alam mo, no, you know what's funny?
Siya rin naman eh.
Yung nagtanggal sa inyo sa Magic, hindi siya inclusive, misogynist. Tapos, di ba, sobrang old school mag-isip. Puta kami yun eh. So, baka gusto nyo kaming kunin sa Magic.
Go!
Duterte!
Duterte ba yun?
Duterte! Oh, tama na. Dalawa lang. Baka totoo eh.
Pero yung live audience part, kasi I think Tony super loves the medium of radio eh, di ba? Kasi instant yung nakikita niya na nagre-reply sa sa chat, mga ganon. So, yung podcast, yung normal podcast, feeling ko kaya hindi masyadong excited si Tony. Kasi wala kaming, walang
Delayed
balik
yung
sa amin.
gratification.
Alam mo yun? So yung ganito, sobrang, I'm
Oh, I
sure you
love
love
this.
it.
I love
Yung
this.
energy ang sarap,
I
ang
love
saya.
seeing this. Oh.
That's why we're still, that's why maybe sometimes as a group or dalawa lang kami, tatlo kami, we still host events.
May podcast kami ni Sam.
May podcast kami. We still love talking. We still love, this is what we love to do. Host, entertain, talk. It's just, tama na sinabi ni Gino, what's next? Diba? Let's look for something. Kung babalik yung Boys Night Out, let's come back with a bang. Something bigger.
Boys Night Out, Spakol.
Yun, mga ganon.
Nag-iba.
Adventure.
Or
Comes
chicken
with
oil.
a bang.
Chicken oil, boys night out.
Chicken oil.
Pero bukas ang Cool Pals dito para pwede nyo gamitin. Pwede kayong mag-live recording
Okay,
dito.
thank you.
Thank you.
Tsaka ang galing nyo, saludo kami sa inyo. Like,
Super.
we always talk about you guys
Amazing.
na
Oo naman,
paano
shit.
yung pagka-build nyo ng Cool Pals sa community. So,
Kayo yung
pare,
peg talaga.
Galing.
Hindi, actually, kayo yung nag-open ng doors.
So, peg nyo rin yung Boys Night Out.
Yes,
Tapos
oo.
peg kayo ng Boys Night. So, peggy.
Pegging na lang kayo!
Pegging pala to.
Sino manok
Kanino
mo?
ka?
Hindi ko alam.
I'm calling Roger.
Okay,
Roger,
come
akin
on.
ka!
Roger, ano masasabi mo doon?
Hindi, parang ano din yan eh. Ako lang yung wowo, siya lang yung babae. Di ba?
Parehas! Parehas!
Galing, ah.
Ano?
Type mo ba? Type mo ba si Tin?
May
Kaya mo?
asawa at may asawa.
May asawa
at
na.
anak yan.
May asawa na ba?
Kapabati lang. Kapabati
Kung
lang
kay
namin.
Tanya, hindi nag-matter yan.
Dahil Rupino, nauntog pa oh.
Thank you so much, Boys Night
Thank you!
Out.
Thank you.
Thank you, Cool Pals.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Oh, 1, 2, 3.
The boys are out tonight.
Naalala ko lang dati, nagpapapicture lang ako dati kay Sam YG dun sa tapat ng Pioneer, Robinson's Pioneer. Nakita namin nagbebenta siya ng taho.
Oo, tama.
Tapos bumibili lang kami ng taho, tapos nagpapicture ako kay Sam YG.
Taho? Galing nyo. Pare, solid.
Nagbebenta
Thank
ng
you.
taho?
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
For episode 982, shoutout sa ating mga Patreon dyan, Chrissy O. Stanislao, Paul Michael Adora, Marichua Autira, Daniega, Carmel Renzel, Espinola, Co. Cruz, Gerald Acusa, Lois Numangan, Carl Louis Mayer, Dominic Rosal, Prince Kenneth Rufino, Makoy Kalika, Mark Angelo, Dag, Sherong C. Centennial, Cyrus Ashley, White Crisostomo, Rufus Tocuero, sabi ko. Raymond Discipulo, Ryan Russell, Carion, Romart, De La Cruz, Aquino, Christian Lara, Oho, Neil Milan, Mark Jan Nieva, Alan Joseph Ledesma, Thomas Jefferson Olba, at si Josue Russell Roses. And from Kim Matthew Reganit, shoutout sa mga tropa ko, mga butchers sa buong United Kingdom, Canada, Europe, New Zealand, at Philippines. Especially sa Dunbia Boys sa lahat ng site. Kay British Kuya Will Accent. Don't be a boy.
Hello, don't be a boys.
Yeah, don't be a.
You are from different side of the planet, so let me wait for me there. In every country, I will finger myself in front of you.
Yung ginagawa ni Zaldin. From Vince Dixon. Pabati naman kami ng asawa ko kay Tay Ilonggo Nonong. Pahingi rin ng tips. Paano yumaman from Vincent Che?
Finger myself the world tour.
Vincent Che, paano raw yumaman?
Ayan, narinig nyo na para yumaman kayo, binigyan na kayo ni Kuya Will kung paano yumaman kayo mag-finger.
Word tour, ano?
Na word tour.
Oh.
Finger ka dyan sa Japan. Finger ka dyan sa China. Finger ka dyan sa North Korea.
Puro airport lang.
Yan,
Nuclear.
from Peregrine Valdez. Pabati naman po sa ako ng happy birthday kay Eliza Valdez, kay Ilocano Mongolian Bakal Rems, pare.
Uy, si Eliza Valdez na
Eliza Valdez.
na volleyball player.
Oy, okay yan ha. Birthday niya.
O saglit, Ilocano Mongolian Bakal Rems.
Parang hindi siya.
Eliza Valdez, oy, kamusta ka, Nay? Eh di nakita ko dyan, uncle mo. Nakita ko dyan, uncle mo na Panji Plaza. Nagbabati shorts na. At dati si Makmul nga.
Si Makmul.
Kalding kan unggoy.
Si Makmul.
Yan, from John Emmanuel Garcia. Pamura naman po kay Ballroom Dancer Rems. Kay Ludwig Jorens at Ezel na laging nakikinig ng Cool Pals.
Birthday niya?
Ludwig Jorens at Ezel.
Ludwig! Jorens! Elsa!
Ezel.
Ezel!
Mali ba?
Ole! Arriba!
Parang iba.
Andere!
Parang iba.
Parang may susuwag na toro sa
From Princess
Parang
Godoy.
Mexico Narcos eh.
Yan. Pabati naman po ng kay Panlasang Pinoy GB ng happy birthday sa mami ko na nasa Italy, pare.
Ay.
Recipe po sana ng Italian pizza cake, pare.
Ay, kailangan birthday ng mama mo. Magandang umaga. Ay, taga-Italy. Siyempre, batiin natin ang Italian niyang mama niya.
Happy na birthday!
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, yeah.
Sarap ha?
Gusto mong gumawa ng cake na pizza?
Oo, Italian.
Ay, siyempre, mga ano yan. Order ka sa Shakey's ng 10 small na pizza, pagpatong-patungin mo sa hanggang sa magmukhang cake. Tapos, ilagay mo sa cake box. Tapos, bigay mo sa mama mo. Bye-bye.
From Dave Berry. Pamura at pa-dirty talk naman po kami nila Jetro, Gerald, Carl at Dave dito sa Perth in Kuya Will accent.
Hello, Gerald, Chokal, Giovanni.
Jubagi mo sa mukha!
Putak ina ninyo! Hindi kayo mga babae, kaya hindi ko kayo kakantutin!
From Emerson Perez, pamura at pabati ng happy birthday sa tropa na sa US, Mark
Nasaan?
Batitis.
Ha?
Okay.
Sulit na sulit talaga. Ay, Dok ah!
Birthday kasi last 17 kaya
Si Doc Burat.
kay Worth It Gay Chromosome James, Mark Batitis.
Worth It. Hey, James.
Sa akin?
Hindi, Worth It Gay Chromosome Rems.
Si Batitis?
Hey, Doc Batitis. Wow! I'm sure nakatuli ka na at pag bagong tuli pula yung ulo. Na-tempt ka na bang gawin siyang lipstick?
From Lord Conrad Gallego, wag nang bagitin full name, ay sorry. Pabati kay Mongolian Rem sa shota ako si Marga na isang abogada. Sana may dumami client niya para maprotektahan niya ang mga lahat na may J chromosome. Si Marga pare. Attorney Marga.
Attorney Marga, mabuhay po kayo. Sana may pagtanggol niyo po yung kagaya ko. Merong J-chromosome at mahilig manlalaki ng sabay-sabay. Wow!
Na-excite yung
From Manny Pangambay, good day, cool pals. Pakimura naman kay Alden Villar na mahilig mangtutok ng kanyang kargada sa mga naka-scrub suit na sumasakay sa MRT kay Nigerian Kuya Will James.
Alo! That is how a Kuya Will fan should be. You have to put your penis to anyone that has a pussy!
Tanginang yan.
From Jake Bagakay, pamura sa katrabaho si Dan Alvin Nolasco in Napalong Aso accent. Napalong Aso accent, Dan Alvin Nolasco.
Parang deserve mo mapalo.
Para naipit eh.
Oh, man. From Duro Mendiola, hello cool pa sa pamura po in unison ng asawa kong si Teresa na hindi alam na nag-Patreon ako at ang mga katropa ko sa mga kabobore na sina Boss BB, Boss Devs, Bestman J at Boss Yong. Manonood kami ng live sa Cellar soon. Maraming salamat. Blah, 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 blah. At sa inyong lahat,
Putang ina nyo! Ang dami mong sinasabi, hayop ka!
from
Pukinang ina mo!
Lara Dudes. Pa-shoutout kay Chinese GB para swerte na ako at matuloy ang pag-renew. Sulit na Cool Pals Patreon, pare. Lara Dudes.
Nakatuta. Gusto mo tuloy-tuloy. Gusto mo tuloy-tuloy ang swerte sa buhay. Pasok sa buhay mo. Talaga, tuloy mo na lahat ng tamang ginagawa mo. Mukhang ito lang para sa'yo. Maging Patreon namin forever and ever. Kaya gusto ko talaga di pasok lahat ng swerte sa iyo. Pasok lahat ng swerte sa lahat ng butas ng katawan mo. Pasok ang swerte. Yun lang. Bye-bye.
From Mark Solis, hello mga Cool Pals. Pabati po sa mga tropas Jamil De Los Reyes, Mark Anthony Decano at ang grupo namin Cautions mula kay Ryan Rems with Diwata na may J chromosome accent, pare. Jomil at Mark, pare.
Oy, Jumil at Mark. Wow, dalawa lang kayo. Kapag dalawa lang kayo palagi, hindi kayo magkaka-AIDS. Wow, loyal ah.
Nangyari! From Ramon de Guzman, pamura po kay Ramon de Guzman, Justin Garcia at kay Ryan Rojo
Hindi ka.
na iniwan ang pamilya sa Bicol para dito kay James Aragon, pare.
Nangyari.
Ina mo, bakit mo iniwan yung pamilya mo? Pinagbalit mo ba yan sa bakla?
From Awi Rojas, pakantaan po ng happy birthday si Emil Rojas. Malapit na po ang birthday niya, kaya sa'yo, Emil, happy birthday to you!
Utang ina mong pamilya.
From Ramir Fundimera, pabati at pamuranan po ang kapwa kong kabobo si David Lawrence Rimando kay Ilocanong Bacal Rems. David Lawrence.
David Lawrence! Hoy, kumusta kang nay? Okay nila. Agreunion kayo kamen. Agreunion kayo, dinukan, agsinubuhan kayo te. Ukol. Okay nila.
Yan. Alias Kobe, pamura kay tayo Ilonggo ni Jesus Nonong sa kawork kong si Polo sa Blaya.
Polo sa playa. Pinababati ka ni Kobe. Ang hirap mag-joke pero sige, padaanin ko na lang. Sakay ka ng sawari ka.
Yan. From Jeric Santi Esteban, pabati po kay Hitler Willie Revillame James. Ang mahal na mahal kong asawa, Daniela Santi Esteban, na nakikinig sa inyo habang nagtitrim ng legal na halaman sa trabaho niya ba?
Daniela, akala ko nagtitrim ka ng bulbol.
Ayan.
Legal
From
naman.
Neil Cruz,
Legal
pamura
naman yun,
naman
legal.
po sa inyo, si Neil Cruz, na puro Pokemon ang laruan at pinagkakagastusan. Kaya si Neil Cruz, may putang ina mo. From Erwin Ambegia, pamura po sana kay Boss Nonong Intay Ilonggo Jesus Accent sa kawork niyang si Ray, Boyet, Sam, Zeke, si Charlotte, at yung asawa niya na si Erwin ba?
Papa nyo to. Marami kayong nagpapabati dyan. Welcome kayo dito sa kaharian ng tatay ko. Basta meron kayong pwede card.
From Sydney, Pelias, pamura po ang aking kaopisino mga kupal John Kenneth Clemente, Arabel Sibil Agarem, in Nigerian Kuya Will Accent.
Hello, what is the name?
Si Arabella
Hello.
at si John Kenneth.
Hello, Arabella. I will do not like that you are partnered with Jan because I only like female. So I will have sex them in front of the other people.
May boss kang ganyan, ano? From Jairus Aguila,
Tuti ka
pabati
daw ni
po,
Sir.
kay Panlasang Pinoy GB, ang aking asawa na si Jenny Rose Aguila, na nilibre ako ng VIP seat sa Cool Pal 7th anniversary, bro.
Ba, ang ganda ng samahan ninyo.
Jenny Rose, man.
Sipi mo, Jenny Rose, ang bite mo dyan sa partner mo na
Jenny Rose nga eh.
Ito nga, ganda. Ang galing mo talaga, tayo Ilonggo. Dahil si Jenny Rose ay Jenny Rose,
Pwede ka sa...
maswerte ka.
Yung pangalan, pwede sa jeep.
Anong pinapaano nila?
Wala lang, men. Nagpapasalamat lang.
Ay, salamat. So, gawa tayo ng thank you na ulam na pwede may pasalamat kay Jenny Rose. Pili kang 2-piece chicken joy. Bye-bye!
From Wenny Custodio Avila, pabati po kay Nagirian Kuya Will James ng happy birthday, si Wenny.
Hello, Wendy. I will pack you in the ass in front of the other people.
Yan. And lastly, from Kurt Nayona, pamura naman Sultan sa tropa kong bordadong metal na laging naka-white sando, Carlo Ray Gozum in Mongolian accent with J Chromosome.
Carlo Ray Gozum. Wow! Ipadila mo na yung mga tattoo mo sa parlorista para magkaroon ka ng bagong tattoo. Ayos ba?
Sumubo na naman.
Thank you very much.
Yay! Pasok tayo sa 10 minutes!
For stand-up shows, visit www.comedymanila.ph. Nandiyan po ang schedule ng lahat ng shows natin sa Brick Wall BGC at open mics natin sa Moe's Bar QC at sa The Cool Pals Bar at The Cellar. Again, www.comedymanila.ph.
See you sa mga shows.
Yeah.
See you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.